Power.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Iba when you see the pro in Oboro Nuka that there is a when the Christmas on Tigre Bore, na when you find out me ako Christmas do le abonga busy na mpaka the church pa Natale na kwa pare. So before me kumbata yo minada kamanga ule housekeeping phone in Oboro Nuko. Imaninga Emmanuel Roger Roger, one of the presenters in LTS media platform. Mina bakarimbara go karwane fadungulebo ana manga shote mkono mwena ngaja hapo kwa doro gini sometimes china jaja bebo kwa ana manga shote dede but mina bakarimbara karwane na nena ya kuma one biore so before ndo kumbata na gani program mina da ka pefro ni ngame on mwena dede ana magani program ni ana manga ha ne iso na kwa pangame anada ka samsa chirani nga sanje kajabra dua ngame an bisagiri ogene ang mangara ko chirani about isonga ga sanje embe chada chidoro gani afugo awa sasa na ana kasana chami na ni ani sana nga chirani na kwa hona sa sana he nekata kupanga me ani sono kumbata wa boso anya wa sana he nike na kina bakare kanda bakare sukote da bachirani nga sanje so wani mo ino honga gani ligure ana zeki he chiparengo ana zeki he chipa ani sono sichirani nga anya kupanga ani yeka ishira pachirani ka woshi pachirani kidama abote so cheo kupamera ka telefoni so wani mo ino nga me for the last 3 days wili namani dule nga gani ko David video kina ko mongihe woko mo video le betoron kina ho raba bina chironi betoron kina ho kiji ko wana giko so anikini ame aningabo LTS tabano no moino gani reputation ngani pani do ngame oboro manga pani opaya mangani ana judging about anada ke ina boro yene ni ye ka furani ye ka explain gini panes ni na mi siri ni pe ngota ko kadogre so please me ahu pa droni ogro ni ka tono ka birani aware ni ka tono ka jona ni live pagani program ka chitu ngawne sina engbaro ngamada ka sana brother David na brother gani konani musana nga busana hene nyomuse musana busana hene kupanga me munade ke no lengo na kupanga me munada ani kumbata wabo sanaza so please ani
I
yongo
think
kyane kintono kasenga kirani ya kintono kama kwa pale na kupamilika petro ni bwaga iyo uboronike ye na mentality nga kintono kasenga umone anafunga chance for mulimite anakusa kusai ile bikande ane anada kafura wogo ogwa borona da karuka chio yes we have say sanata patata but aborokimba katige apai da gwacho so cho pamera ka petro ni advance uguronduna sana hengoroni David wala pale wa fokuranduze kino guranduna sana he fokurondu poroyo oni yongo ani sungo ka for amicably kaki atrani in difference in misunderstanding do hoda batrani ne na yapai ane yane ka for ipa so chingo upamere ka pefro ni gutuko so mina hope nga yon matia upale kugume na I hope kwa honi kama ngatia ka for wenen nga kisekele ne apa uchina ni kuna solution kanu kumbatai and then the discussion on kapra ni lipa hare aneka fulani ngame David du aneka crucify ko wala aneka fulani against of abudu koro yo wala abudu koro neka ka fulani against ranite no anekia ne ka fulani chiko misunderstanding na manga da bachirani na zande obura naraka koro yo no obura naraka zedi so anele kino gini podu na manga so we want to know ndiko padu ni maima ogorani and dunga statement na makora mpatano ana anafra dede ngame aningaza and let's unite and unite and but kwa padu ogure ne ina disunity tabatirani because at the end of the day aina barani muko anaida tirana ida wala muzeki yo wala mukoro yo we still need each other so cheo upai ana yana chimanga anyana kumera ndule na ganiko kuye ka frani chiko upai video ko mugihe chiko upana miseko ona gidi so kupani kama ngame video le ana playing wote baby ko gani YouTube account le begina no bodun ko ne bihe and uplan do honga tabani kwa progo pobro mu and mai ha or kuranga to ngani ka gya even though ma gya but yata gyanga get so go audio go video le ana playing wote mbiko anapata gen wani kama nga haka bataka ko social media chipo kusai mbiko paidu ngagani ngaga bukoro cyada kachina akora kusigyote inde bendo chini makura bata nikasa data bata gena wane ka bata kusai so cheo kupai So without taking more time, Tamba from Burundi, Yana, Brother Ganiko David, welcome first time on LTS, and Brother Simon, also from Romania, welcome. But thank you so much for joining. So, Brother Ganiko, Tamba Yoromu, Aja Gareko, Natamba Yaki Yari Makafa Guno, Wapana Misrombo Duro Kushua Pama Kushere, so Minada Kafunga chance for all. Rek Bokoro Munti Stropa Wagumio. I nongoro in details here. Yembolimo, in Pama Mangaha, in Panasaro, Mumongi video Mumongi. Tamba, you're welcome.
Okay. So the David Ganiko. Yeah. Minga travel consultants like agents berena dipa abrona profilegi. Okay. Yeah, me base jubani di mini ani jubani. Yeah, patch pa video name out of experience. Then ko bono mata fikir
Brother Ganiko, before we make video, Muyamuga Limono Wenanga and Naginosinia Mangaha, and then Kuchin Mokon Kami video.
Okay, you David Ganiko. Yeah, David Ganiko, and then Minga travel consultant.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yes,
Yeah,
go
maybe
ahead.
Yeah, video no memory here, memory out of in frustration. There's it experience no do ku bare. Na taban mi mata ko dunga rek bo make me be wine abrara ka ro pura legle ko bani. Na wa pura community o ndo chio na ka pura african community no ku dibran na gazande. So mikini na for the ro badu mi ro ko yo ne ma so ro ko yo de. Abro kne zegio ngok ba abro kne zegio.
Network
Na jag mi aja ko yo.
Ambusa.
Yeah, on a
yes, and again.
Yeah. So gubandu memang asin yorogo de mina travel agency bade. Travel agency sire. Bunga bune po spaka pro project. Ben ogwa buge abro zegyo. Maybe ogyo nandon family sponsorship. Lakini ogwa bunu ogyo ne biri nuko. Naki na anze ngena kwa ngbat ko bade. Okay. Bumi na Australia yo Canada yo. Naki da mana hispani million percent scan. Lakini orizani ni ye for nga unanda kando ando ngudu zegyo. Shidunga very difficult. Gwandu ni nama na term of condition gujegino dio de changbangate rako no changbangate ono yi venenga inu susu venenga sikido tabane ngame ganyo gude kono ina pile yani gene spike kujegyo te on oni duzegyo a chance na beroni kono sada ka kusuyo kujegyo nani especially groninga kumba mi adunga very disappointed no ni bonko pangame dungu wa bruno gene ye inenga deliberate duzegyo lakini sigoninga kumba min pal kono ndongo ko gude shinogyo du na ka kujegyo ane yam no gondo gude odido ron kinane atamiron kinane wabron ye fode kana deliberate duzegyo na panga kusin kujegyo so ga pana bodun ko it has been going for on and on and on. I get frustrated. Some of them are stranded to the extent whereby yani kabaro kijinga go process no gucha da even recommendation letter kayamu Australia yomleka invite ga na family member ne nikindi kida joni royo on family sponsorship uga person abodu dukino lakini on nga very silent on that particular regard so mikindi nga very frustrated yani every year mikida abo kujo over maybe one or 200 aboro nano in different countries lakini kana bronga zande limitation nugu na munga yongame some of them cannot be able to get recommendations from abroad can you get invitations lakini on kinayo go abroad yo me no tabana ngame this is some of the reason why I get frustrated kaman mi beta bana ngame ro kurang batuka these people they are very cooperative lakini mukchama na gazande luzegyo mina yabes gazande Texas yo azande ina Alberta yo ina azande group lakini ogo activity no go na manga ha so pangame gani ringa rasono mi bingote because apana bodun ko nandu ekena kusayo kwes yani omunyo muboro zatu bro nebinga mpimo mbesi pakina mwana ono yanze ngale they are going then bro na sponsor they will do whatever they do they sponsor them kinda chapana ga development kusana ku porono okay yani maybe go tangible in a development no go do ona manga hate whereas despite the fact that okurang batuka do ana say literally Ethiopian in a make apartments in a make in a team up together as a group and they make something for themselves lakini group na gaza ne duzegyo goni apara tu mi afaya mungate akumana fro working a day ya saso da no gudingara na ita bro very active bro very aggressive even gona introduction rogo na naga ina TLS bro ka sele bes ma fu hem ka jasa saka fusen kumba fro gutele kumba na fry in with power spanga mu panga kumba na fry lakini oninga very slow kina pambodi uga pale this is some of the things which make me so frustrated because we are now bro na bro ni kole o malinga we partner ga pambodi too much too much slow la pana bodun ko le shamangate kwa muni aboro zejo ando ni yo na ne fanga transfer ni kile je ni kima donga ina block base so shi mebe tinga di padu duwa je sin proni so go do sai ni fanga do tinga kumba kidu ko proni ya kidu nga very responsible ya because this summer since I really went through it is not kind of emotion but I've been going through a lot of this kind of thing so even me anu kuze joza kan bingo wa zande rogu community yo ko mitaro wa kana bodun ko la fanga ke bizando within the city mo be bingo to gwaringa do ko na bunga very remote area so shinoga pa ono manukuze yo muneke bia ina binga Eritrea in Ethiopia in New York roga badwa ina Toronto ga pala kino shigon ka brodingo go hodu gonya community nite so ne no sense falenga me what's the future of Azan community yelo ga pacho no makuze no go nili no manga hade what's the future because South Sudan already chinga very difficult kosungo South Sudan ane anusungo no in a little problem every day amadonga very aggressive ya kupana ga so dunga so de nabro mpe kusai because it is so mana kagwali South Sudan ane magwali so yende kinka kusai ne it so limited to some ina kuonya abo lakini majenga ka jeri so fu ai borno borno ko that means kondunga too much respectful the case will become so weak because it is so asa now you are now kapunga very respectful but when it so kan just ka kumayete ka brando ngam ko sungo vuru indanga bojimo kalimo kujimo yo but kujimo man ka dinenga ti pabo man ka dinjimo plus so besin bojimo moko sungo the whole day but when kan from with meetings and see ne tu wale de limimo moko sungo na me da kan da head le balance kin madda kin kungo na balance yo ki bede ba e pangame ganyo gude this too much respect na seyo idunga ina slave to the system right kanda juba now that me apenga in sharp juba na wale kabingo bando gudengo udazande vuru bata waji bata no badina sungo bar gudele yo babatwa ina yo abono jo arago juba ne serikali wali ina kamera kanya kam bando gudendu kanya kamera go ay badro go yin program lakini dekin hekna balo mu gabayo ga pale kamoru kunja sungo go adunga go chini so this is some of the things being as one of the somebody who know the system who has been there for long mimo ino ngame ugapa nakaranga kusai shidu na bodun ko yalo go ndo ne bino kusayo jejo me bingo to binko mi du satura ne no borna manga ina no nda borna ko lingi pa me bezan suru go sangame una amfrei na properly jo protect manje ugapa na maka be kampala ya bezan roberto yelo nche asoro yelo Canada no manga ngege this is why I was so frustrated ile pongo on explaining go for exactly ngame it also insult singa henanja hate la hiji musha tabana ngame ganya bornga zandi ana denga dengo te obora pele ngoni onaje ne very negative way lengo ngalengo at the end of the day we are fighting for the future of our kids ana ko so so beshi na we na beshi ngapana bodu kan ka dunga yo o magbuko ni fa hono kamo mayeka shopa ngame brote ogwa yo de ine every ya ine jo wuri yo kini ne yo ku na ko kemu yo kamera leben la figura ne kan bingo yo borino uri na Australia yo wuri looking na kampala go arago on giringa sene kan ringa dunga nya ko dunga very scared so who is going to okay o kan nga very scared nga about diaspora o very scared ono an shed no ya o na kin bashi adan fika so if you go do yare because on sungo beshi on ya de ina singa very risky kai kono okay singa very risky kai kono gura go don ro yare adan number kaje it was also risky like that because on play benga very well because they fight for it o ka bodio ina so crash pa lakini on shigo ni on sungo yo kono pa besinga me an invest ko yo an me yo ogwa investment mo na bodu ko zege ore ane nongo hote pound kama ngati mbe kora Canada mbe kora Australia yo gen pan ke nonga zanadio na mbe kora dio ane nongo te mwe kimbo ngi pai no mimi panga sasa do single little bit risk at the moment gwa padwa na ore chanu nga venga to gwa pai lakini kon jinga hangange chidunga me ni reason nga ono ke ko boro no kida do koro yo do bombwane panga na kini panga bodo yo kuna do America ya sa man sana he kada do na venge ni kana kada do venge ni kana ya sige panga ke ya guna shinya na ko shin kwai so shinogo in a situation no guna mangere mi nga little bit aggressive lakini kumise kimyene tabana ngame mi afraro ko boromu because mi ashumunga maybe dungo ground yo ngo pa zandete wais because me beto ogudo no baskara ko yo ngo pa zandete lakini shinogo kumise kimyene mi apologize pa no kwa pebede maybe me general zabro no wedu ndiko because of the frustration tambwan
Tamba brother gani ko chipa wa yemo keka prani na keka pesa na barani ndiko ndiko kwa mchuku statement dunga burkina ho na gero wa ya gi another kakara kamba katambani kwa ndiko kura pa kina ho kura burkina ho wani mengi po bule na da kaye keka kala pa chini ke yo pa na kutambani kwa nga wa disade mo kaye ka pesi aborana before ando kumbata mifu chance kura boro ndo kubata naga na sasa nahe ogro nikato ne ya ogro nito ne kebrani awro na kika message pale nga how can I join mundu korogo LTS platform link kina amini ma attach ali video mini manje jibele nga announcement muko ku link ile kimwe logo Google Chrome, then you will be able to join us here in the studio. Masia kagina do mo mo se ka attach nga ku link ile anda go inane people about be here so they can be able to join us. So, Brother Ganiko, there's kuchuku video mune here na wa mo se ko understand now frustration do na manga don't because due to the nature of nga singe oga bormo dili bene yo na inakungwa watunga kurang watunga ina ngazande mo pingo pangame uli azande wala azande kidu na active roko apanga ka kuzedio na kini kura pa kini mangia business na kwa pa azande wane ye kisungi na jubayo ana manga ro paite. This is one of your statement ogurandu zekina wane ye mo pingi ni panzunzo ana mangi het kaka statement and then kura pobere ngame ogwa kuma tu zekino aninga week mwe gina ume ade maisari merami and veterani do ho namanga pai kukina kume ajara. This is something tabani mape and chima ogwa pai muni bihe mukini disadi kinyami wakande duse kino especially akumba inga week but inada kafuta bai for mamanga clarification mamata clarification ngame go mistake mwengi he ngame why ma for ogo pobolo and ma for ogo pobolo mona we enu ngame ogo gudani pachi karazegino yajanga paza na wene ngate. So that's why ma decided ka for ogo and it's tamba for chpa ka recognize ga mistake na guwe mistake mama ngi henga ka generalize abo no boyero because chingo ko panzunzu mangi ka yena hit zunzu ngame abo dunga yani na tingani kare because beta abo kina no ni masada kamanga pa poroyo beta abo kina no ni masada ka decide ko ndo abo ko poroyo because ima asada but basically chike individual experience sta better yo I decide wale ngame ya danga kamanga pa poroyo and ogio kina no ni mamanga pa but yada ka pe ha na manga pa it. So there's a lot of factors into this. But ukupaya biada ka ngombo padara na barang mugabi ma pe ngame please ipare ana tsedinga ka prali pa hana zile zingulusi and from ngari pa hana zinga because we meet all the tangible point na ina tumisanga sana de bachara anaja ka puranga mekajia perspective ngaga ugurondu poro yana ugurandu zedino why is this happening and kipe gani au nikipe goni so chino ukupaya. So without further ado minikasa da ka chance kuma tia bamba ta question matia ena question pero gini question tu pero mada ka kunga ko Brother Ganiko.
Bakar tamba nsinga unajana venengai.
Yes. Anaja.
Minika manga uli statement Tony and then mikiru cheka for sanahe. Bamba tapamia da ka clarify henga gani channel dure. Ana zakanga chipo upangame kadunga one side te ana zake chipo upangame ka sono satrani na kanye satrani na gu ogwa pango gwa na affect gani community and then an kini sekero goyo kini bipa wodo lengani ka rugatirani na wodo lengani ka sono kumbatayo and then ngatunga hadunga kina gipadu pewuli nanani hene so mine biyo kanya kuna furarogo ina frustration na zinga ogwa padu lele gupa na magangame paka na hona na I think na misingame gani ani bakare assumption duli ranyo yani ga na no gupangame azande kulukuzegyo no gwa padulele aburo ye kono base rogogeyo individual ways ye yetini and then apaki doa hangogu abura face he apaki doa hangogu ye give up tini and then araka matna ke change ha due kutigupangame ura aburo kina ne ye kono ikini jipage tunga kini ba kusayo ngaza ndingo te ubeshi nge biboro borokena ho ai dango gupanga ga community za to berebe ya and then kini sacho kanyame inga imakuro nge pisha aboro kena ho du na jipale and then kura borake na ho do na ma sadaka manga pai na ma sadaka manga pai but frustration kidu ngame masalan munu bigu meno watadu gu boromona trust mukuni jimana nga 10,000 kini anda oni dongo bombu fare ikijigumana ne kiliche na baha so gi situation dulere anga ma karu ho ti dumon karu ho ka blame aboro na oboye dundu kote aboro manga pa aboro kina ho na ma asadaka manga pa but because of all this jene hongo guka trust it ogwa aboro du poro yo na letrani down na pekino gwengarengo yes oguyo kina ona daka manga pa aboro kina no na manduko yo kizo ke school kasidunga pa investment do kizo ke school kizo ke ba business anga tiyo ngame kana bangisa section sache do gupanga aboro du no boy dun korogote aboro kina hondu kindo zekia business yo and then kina gumenyo watadu abakure yo kifail yo rogu payo ngame they don't run the business watadu kijigumana ane kili check sai therefore kura aboro kina kintu nakabi upangame kintu nakabi upangame kasi duwo gudulele then munakanu wa wale invest kasi doa wale ngame kurale bokina ho mi boro ali timana abale tima mangale boro we watadu bara biata boro kili timana abale guboro na kaida kupanga nenda kamanga investment ni minika pe as an example funi ngame jipale mangire okay muna pe roga payo we sangame ngahangba ni manje investment but mumwe he mudunga na follow up ngagaha but chimangire amanga aboro kili timana abale du wale then ominika peji panene gunde kini zinya wale ngame kasi du ngame felani ada kamanga ha ikini litimana abeko then guborole ne kaduna gunde rogonio kamanga bombiko hedunga information nga very crucial kuti mwadu magin podu mada kamanga ha okay and then japangane ne tikini discourage ni awle ni hini benga ko wachama manga njiko ko mwengo nduchigo kankazo ganduru korogoyo then tikima biana and then kura apake na hobelenga gumbalimo apake na honga munandu watadu munandu ku poroyo kinogwa apake dunga ga gumbalimo kinapangwa kikuru and then wale gani ragoza tunga gu situation dwani wale kuvuru behere muyena gamana ani ya munamana bero value maybe $50,000 munada kanduka manga investment gus insecurity duro gani rago du kana puru juba zato monakanu waka manga gu investment ile monakanu waka manga ha insecurity kidu ke jiparo zato nga ijiparo na mana bero ine kinono yuru ke bakana kangbaro so a risk ile ndo pangame ani understand hembatano batafuka gwagu chipogu pangame azanda manga waleta azanda manga walete dungwa aborokena ona manga pa kizo kyo school kizo kya business ogwa kana kurakena ona ma succeed ogwa kurakena ona ma fail bekina gisikiri manja pa no ugani abora du poroyo anga ino boydu nduko adunga plan iliyo yote oguyo kina aduna plan iliyo yo and then duna nyomuka sadaka ka songo da pagu sono sa lingaranga geni but kurare gbokina hongame o ma communicate na boro gu information ma relay hefare kurare gbo kumwenga kina zire and then kinogu pasangame mini kijimana and then mukutai mumanji kupanani ngogudu tena da mumanje nani mukwali ogumana ne kilichi heki manji he eja hani na bodu nduko na contribute kuchugupangame boro nyomu gupa honchi duchi boro ngogu nga manada ka manga investment koyete so gupameda ka pefu brada ngame taba ni rogo ga ko message yore so ku generalize aboro and gupameda ka pepe foro ngame anga aboro no boye dunduko lembe ka do anga successful te anga aboro no boye dunduko lembe ka do ka fele ate gumanji moho munamanga hakuchiga capacity ma chadunga dungame muunda aboro no boye dundukote woko unda aborole anga aboro no boye dunduko ko undo yote bete yo kina hongo guyo ko undo yo oguya kina hadunga jenebe yo capacity be ka mango gupate but chidudu etininga nga kuraboro na de ka join nani but I'm mina approve cha tina reject but I don't know, I will figure out giripodu na manga. So gupape ko hore timo ye na kuchunwa ti mimi ebihe timo ye na division dagbachirani timo ye chidu neka dunga gukura katakwa division bele dagbachirani begu pangame wadwani no opportunities kina no lembiani ko undo gani aburo undo nani, okay, and then ogurani aduno kurare bokina hongame wani gbari kandu koyo gusogorani du beroni bolewe nga sab mugudu nga very scared nga makan wache kamanga gini pama da kamanga ha kina gumba gumbali mono filani ye ku ye na marabeko kuna manga chiko kutinite kurapake na nikandu ka fono wuli paki monjiro wale iki monjiro zatu ke ye inongorote eja hene na bodun kona da upanga gani brade ini magunga gusapaka manga ha zanga njara korogoyete bombiko riski kana chini dungu apaka kanza kasungo kapeka yani uru na chachi
yeah masia dingo ka gursongo ho bimiko
bati gupadu hongame ani ngarenga korogoya kishianga gini wene hedu tini na kiru ke binga gini gulembe ko undarani na barani dunduko so kasido awrengame mukusipaki ni pewo gudure kini ame ogurani duzo gino aninga not smart or smartness beranite then wadon chedu yodu na smartness lironi then gini hedu che ana bingo gu change chiningo gu ka manji and then anikini wuli che beroni ate gini hedu cha manga chini woy so chidungo guri statement mina ada ka pehe so dungo apake na hon anaka fura he but this is just gu statement mina ada ka pehe bomko giparenga so deep into gu gani society china parakarani kini create kina sokote dagbachirani dunduko so ka pegwe ngarengo oguroni du poroyo anga oni no boronyo te oguroni du poroyo beteroni masogarani ni kerenga wa boroni gbari kandu koyo ina biro kanya muye ke ka jege ya hebe na ba muye ke ka rogoge ya he na be ma mena muye muno nyomo ke bi ga ma boro ono amuno kanu ka daete ikituna sogoro so werengame anaka woki rogo gini level chipo pangame ani encourage wai ka sono sa chirani na ka undo chirani dagba chirani tambaya
masia tambaya ko bron tono ke ya wereno bron tono ke birani so ukamenga mangame bembiko sana ikina chada ani sana ka ko mene nga ka jam sana so ani keep gani message nga brief and clear uko gina keep chance for kuka ga pa to kura pa so brother Simon minika fu chance for 2 minutes mo sebingo kayamba mono wala ko mono ko na ipi pa magi ya robo video ka pe na so tambaya welcome
Tamba. Taba giri monga Simon John Sarsa. Mirogu powrenga uliboro hizo. Akimi minesu ngoromanya me economy 2011. Minamanga sunjero go ambasinga ga Morocco. So minangbala go chipaka kadwana me noni online bombo tare bombi du taban rogi gi povrenga gidure mi adunga batalo go ete. Wa minafu sane fu gumananga ganiko na miale ka futamba enfuko mbiko kuze ki go subject ngo guna da kupaida nga boro fra chipa ya boro ni bono
ya unajana mase ima dropo
ni position ngo guna do pona ni
yeah kuna fura
okay yeah go ahead
and then kuchimi no guna ya guna ima machile toni na hira bangere ngo pepe ngoduga ko tona du ngodu ko afra yani miki mi bieta gire ban 3 times repeating bamba tamye bie wakanyame shwa kuborna de kupangame bangere aboteki kuro wehe miki bibie wakanyame kuna de ka kuna so kupanga ani bana kama ngapasa ye kura bia ta hache mi kupanga kuborodu lele pakana mbodu ko echipa kwa borodu sai so sina so kupanga sina imai machile mbio kura borokana wo brother Emmanuel na pehe kura borokana na asada de ko unda borokoro yo mbo ujena ogudu yo chini. And then sha sok singa tembiko agwabodu poro yo and then gu situations nga gari ngana sha funga yani sha funga wena pafo agwabodu sa kwa ya manga pate. Bes mi ka penga briefly upa ogu mina papa ngemi po mi ka flash papa aborote upa gadir mi ka wuli na rogu 2021 mi aroga team kana Romania no ga aboro we akindu koyo ko wana luka da izoyo ana mbe kyaro ko yembe ki de gomo fa gwa bodu izoyo and then wana rogu school ga izongo nga izo primary school akimpanga kuno dwedu yo gudeno songa na tande. Okay, agwa boroki na kala se okay ani karaga chirani spoka ka dungura berani kan dubole ko spoka mboko do school le 2022 akini karaga chirani bole ku izo wana nduka da izo yo fela na mbaka je u lako chingwa cho gude akimwangi bosungo ku school wa boro gude kino ka awuri ka pawenanga lakini gu point mi ka frachi pongu pongu guna biarani nga bomba tandu je ogwana ndo yani ulizande ga jibor kwa manga sunye matara yo yani chipo kupanga ku undo agwa bordo myandu nanyo chipa ibi ineni intervisa fuyo inimi shadu fukonga kwada kamangate kana kuranza nje kini undele kina fale kala soke washina dogo gudule iya boroda fa $50 mikina ko kala so is fine agwa paranga kini dafa fo wananuka dutch popanga anini ukura ku kinsana ngawe inada yellow card akimi kala ga bol fogu dabiti lekina ko yake inada yellow card wala ka bienio kuna no mushira tintani ndwando guparanga ogu ulizandere myada ka mboli mukotekera uli boro izodo kukuni pe fora la kadi kuvuru arabia yo kini afane we gu yellow card ogu gu dabiti mpe pale borosa na dafa $50 mikina afko kiev gukumbali ma yafale mikuru na jaboro do yegini pa bole kwa da berani anya wolenga tegriban 3 or 4 hours matara kunya no kana dafa nga ya ka sawaga do nga arabia mikina ko gukumbali ma yafale kan dafa nga it doesn't need, is not necessary kunya no lazima anda dafa kana kula bakule ogulizana okoneka ka jalan matara kuna afale kala Simon is fine and for komina ko kala okay $50 dole chipagwa bodu wele munaida maida ngate sinya kana wa kukuni jihe kinindo yani kulenga bomba tapa kana zandi ngo kuboro nga uli boro izo mikima pef kunga ya bodu enando kuizo kan ko ndo gudedo. This is number 1. In 2022 wana gwali kindukoyo
I think network number 7 ya mufura
unajana
ya najana mufura
ya 2022 wana ndukoyo Arabiana de ka jaha izo yembe kurapa kana wuli boro izo nga kana gumane ana kwa connectine mini hane Simon mukijimara Arabia wenenga gwa pal mkya mikimani Mr. Pagwa Arabia gwa naida mikimafko minaida gwa Arabia gu mvuto eli mokorogo eya minaida gwa Arabia gu nika ajbenanga kunya no mafi mushira akijimara afko $1,700. Okay, gwa Arabia kwa nika jafrani wana bicha ana isinzara tabana gwa baduko mia nduchi mbara wawo le mia kurubara wawo mbata mia tunakanduku ro gwa bali mbiji waisha ni zaraka bogula fare Arabia kini gbana mvutune yero ga bani na nelimo povrenyi basasa dunduko wanaruka dai zoyo go chipani chinyungu mena ni wala chinda gwa hena kuskula gwa kumbaki na fare no Simon, this is too much gwa Arabia na danga bole sikala ga che kuyembi akini kala ga Arabia. So akina ajuru kana raksha yo guruduna nduru biatare chipa una undana ka chinda he wana karaga chirani akini jikana abodo ana ajuru abodo wembiko gundu 2022 ana nduna aboro biata ngakumba na jako bia chikura parangawe nga bakolera na borokon
So Simona sorry kata bete fogoro on se dingo ko kurso ngami me no ngame go experience let aborona ni ngate tile
okay kumanduka dachi yanga because mireka pefu brother David ngawe masran hon kwada ka furguten fabro kuna do sero pa ku parkarogo. And then wana gwari izo ekaye tabana ichpaka ana gwari bobore yiro around 2 o'clock in the morning. Chipani ka jagani fly min yambie ku Dubai. Wane ka da yambie yo akini da mata lakini upanga ya do mbata ho yes plane fran ho dwane ni upanga pa manga. Imwe uri kukie wale wakanya igbasasa wale no kukie yeli moka borno gunga ligu kukiele. Taban taira ma mbida kaye. Ani yenyi basa gwa kumbariki ni basa na motoro ukura kusono usugu motoro ogwa bakule men. Agwa bor matara kini adania ku ligu kukiele. Kuna fyo hena dunga une bingo ngogwe na sa upanga wini upanga ka bor gunga liate. Ikini jigu parangale 3 hours. Kosungo pachikono bundu kamanga pa kele mikina afwe kalasi washada chogu dire mikana na fu deputy governor nanja gani ko chuguzama nanja mi akala mikana na fu deputy governor tipa kwe ko hirugu mushira igite yo pacha kalasi wa mine mwendo deputy governor gule ashin kena mushkel. And then yakura ngate yakuru na $100. Okay, situmia pecha alfugu mwane dole ngame kubinga po gu dole asa gwa borumo mi apipele kami ke jingeli mo South Sudan na wale itna kandwa ku Uganda. Asa wa miafura na mona wale Uganda. Miafura na mona ina luka undogo kudejuro wogu badu povre du Uganda. Sidumia pecha mfugu mwane dole aku biengba tunga po gu dole tamba.
Kamba brother Simon. Brother gani kwa mumaki ya masia mafra, brother Simon mafra mumaki introduction. So minada kapunga 2 minutes poro. Mokara nga pachiko kwa pape yo kare, and then kuchina nikin kambu. Umbata na kura samani. You're welcome.
Yeah, pasi nikaku mato ni ngame taban. Ukapana bodu kona bodu kule. Asinga individual challenges. Pana masa general situation kona bodu mikana juba na wale. Yala parake zekyo. Minga shiwa ngame minga more than gaji tuzejo shishiro nzuko no gondio. Because you go on looking individual countries. For me matar bodu ngara kona bodu no kibi ngajuraka. So ku challenge no kudu awale at the moment na wale. Okay, I'm saying kuna manga juba na gama shakila kila kino give up. Because me I try to fight chiponga yani ili monani dunga me brodio nga zande no we head code na manga ha but no nga zande no company before but no na zande no ndaboro wes na ndigi bana so no go so kwa chani tuwa nene on te bingo hen sake wala pa na bona kana bodu ngoro tu da pa gwa ita jingo no kida kana boro jimoyo ina blue bombo ina yete ona danga yete kwa mshekile duwa ne me ye France yo ikiji matara yakini ina yo ngame me kida bukile dunga patina ndo kuna manga lakini asa wale on kambu woni lingaro kini yame ona idanga hate we mpanganga msakili duno do limba somasa front okay o sungo ko chikia ka sona lenga to go yono na vunga yo bana ko rabale amiko sungo wali o ga chanje na bodu mpangame oni du wiki pai kai ka so fras pangame ka do ko boromu yo pangame gwa pari kambaka da hat o tsoki na koyo oni yake kada no te na kidi mana football ni kidi simana individual abo
Gako network ma drop.
Na jump again. So, link do ma tache kurugo video so oni kidi request maseni ka accept roni. So, gani koni na afra maseni mafra brother Samu ni mafra ipe kido kwa challenge bien yo wayandu kwa yo. Ani mingasho nga me kudumuroni kina honi keye. Mukoni experience chiko uwa pai in yo moni koroyo. So, gani koni na yawe these are individual challenges. Au kuna kina outside na mangara yo shishi. Napara kusigi ni yoki ni mego apare. So network kini interrupt ko so nubunga ko karga chiko. Kwa satana kina oketi rana ka tona kasi ko gerenga ni tona ha na basic introduction. So anapido ko uye karga chiko bale then kutini impa continue. But while ani kapido ko abani tona ya hana ogurane tirani awale. These are the kind of understanding level to the bakirani because anafura based of experience ani pia wako kuna fura based of experience wa pia kwa hiyo so mimi ndio mpanga ani jump to conclusion mimi na ndio mbona kina hao curious what it's saying but please calm down we will get to the bottom of this so napido kwa ukara chiko so wala nike kidogo brother Simon Kenya kuna experience kina chiro no mangiro. So please, I will give you another chance. Penga fapo.
Yeah, tamba embelewe. Kamianga ya kura experience mangre. De na dan fogulete lakini basi kono upamere kape chupa agwa bona jana agwa bodu poro yo. Agwa nya duze gino. Yani gunai mi ai machile toni ona gaji gumane na du matara ele. And then na du juba ai matara yo. Yani sinai mai machile toni. Sha mi chile mbiko ko
Yeah.
ngabu.
Tara kuma ye.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Gine to ya ni
Okay,
manje.
itakuwa
So oga
mm.
ya oga mshitaba namtaba ngame oga individual chance no gona peka hale. Yani me bingo ngo gwenga ngo serious. Teme ko moyo yo kibi bang saboro tani kimongiro. Man ha gana bona bodu ko anga yidu. Na mangaro wale te. So ka investment ma kama nga ha munema kama nga hane. So panugo me achini me ogondu sayo. Goni don capacity yan stone ngo lobenko gwa challenge no guna manga ne onajia hangame china manga rom kiko kama ngado gwa bena no gona nan koyo kam 1990 kam ne kana hadwa wale tapa magaro na bodu ko okay no kabski ne zigi zigi ne ngwan ne zigi ne kama nga pai no asa wale kam duvuru di mana bodu ko de be pangame matara ina bodu kana borote me pangame no bodu ko duzekyo mina chance bareka even kan do ko ga baksu sungoro ko yo lakini alo kam do wale magone kalas bo hobe sadan ni ko ndo borote so mi sacrifice pangame ko sunga ne kamo kapana bodu ko pangame on gicha ol gija pa kile kamwe de japa do lakini on ite okay on sungoro ro ba sungoro ko yo yala no na wa chene me bera kamo ya patelo so shama simya nga fro so yeti ngame kanyame mo ye kono mo kiba saboro sa kimi ro ba ne ra pale mamu solution mo ko sana garo kiye kono so pangame mo ko so sungo yo lakini mo kimmo nyina kama ni sana garo kama ni sana ko bi ko challenge because awara de okay no gabski do na so mali ni kono abashi ni kono litana mo business na bodu ko na mo yara ko na bodu ko on ile karo ba do ne ro ko yele japati ge pasi ge ya compress ga pasi ni ya do complain du chirani am ko kama na dawo ga pana bodu ko de sinne mo dinga frustrated because so ga pana bodu ko na ta ha o me rogoete asa awre ngame wa kuna fedi bel ngame makiji mana fraboro ni tibi shoga pale mo dile individual sipagini me kama ni gen sana garo ya kayimiro yimiro ban ko giringara da wa an ka so fra sipal pangame chingba aduka so pangame system du wen ngai konanje ngane ya ona buru kinejojo na buka koyo majabu nusu kurana buru no kanda da bangwa sababu ke be jibana ngam shilawe ile ma ka tutunu so ngate da bangwa so sine japanu me be chimi ngame charu ngate bungi ko kanyame on ko tunu gude bana ko ragbare ma giringara si mai so ko ko re am ti ko sungo wali mana ko na dunga bana ko ragbare am so kina koyo yesi kina koyo ka ro pa dunga tungana kinyeshi
Okay. Tamba gani ko? Usana menika sanano nani, sana yo wedu menika sanano nani. Bomba tasana menika sanano nani, rogo statement mo manjero video le. Ma yame, ma address abro diaspora. So minata mo defining afrani abro diaspora. Exactly what do you mean by that? Na go sana hendara kate kasanano nani ngame. Mini wo mosungu Sudani yo. Uyemo dumo aurele. So mose dingo ka pengale mo frani hal ma janga pangame abo azande zegino yandu ko kize ki business kini mangi business wala kini make arago. Have you ever come across any business that was established by someone from diaspora? Yes or no? No,
no
why never. So you never had it. Mama answer with
yeah
tabangsa. So ma yung approach to kaya pangame ki business la ja plan du se jana maga ma janga.
yeah
You never come across. Okay, that's the reality. So, go to the first question. Omayawe diaspora. What do you mean by that exactly?
okay ogwa mi minyo ogwa bro dizekyo na so rogwara go du kizekyo outside Africa ya name ogwa bro within Africa and ogwa dizekyo outside Africa okuna pede so Romania Canada Australia these are the economic power of the world so hodomo rogo in the economic power of the world that means na mona chances bro na high chances bro kama kura pai du bro no kaya manga haya kwes so you do know bro exactly near minyo because example I ngawe mo Australia there's a lot of chances to Australia when you know manga hari ati okay muneka be investors ki ni kono muneka mga gale manyi wali so and then that mindset ngo ngawe ya bro mke ne kwane ife fika manga ndane the very bad kind investors ne kwane na manga project o gapanda bodu ko mambo kamputa suru he kuno gure ko bana ko ragbare ke panyi bodu na ndole gande dinge ni sipanga ya paki dinge nga dai kanyo we keep hiding ourselves because panga the situation what I want to do so gabo me minyo gbo ga bro do jejo outside Africa okay rogwara go don rogo that's what I mean there.
Okay. Unajana?
Yeah, me gonna.
Okay. Alright, combine. Kadunga honest. Bemiko, pinga upami na pe hang ame. Aneke ane another kakwa pai. So ubama na pamela ka pay for all. Bufugo nga diaspora le. Definition nga ga ha anybody who doesn't live in their own country in diaspora, live abroad. So doesn't mean now diaspora in the beginning of abroad you got now do the for abroad no Canada, America, Australia. Iya boro naraka outside South you live in abroad. Then you nego pang namin o boro naraka Uganda Kenya Central Africa. Anybody who lives outside South Sudan lives in diaspora. So number one, that's a mis interpretation there of the word you use. The message of what it consider everybody who lives out of South Sudan. And the primary attention was there because it not from the background. Uh, okay.
Just
When we
go ahead.
yes. Go primary people party chini wo gure. Yes, muyame ogorana ka gwaro ba ni ngamuni mbuli mwa ya the economical power. But the truth is, even of our Naraka Gurus Uganda, Naraka Guru Kenya within Africa, they can do something back home. That's the fact. Ine kamanga paramanga oroy. But the issue here is they need to identify gini heke mwenji. Because yo chongo sungo besu wakuri ine kini yame ogaburu America do Canada eat nike kamanga pa no. They have to play their role. Opamuna ape we have to play our roles. Ogaburu koroy ogyo do Uganda ogurandu segino we have to work together as teams. Kipaka achieve goal another ka achieve planning answer. Then kuweza na mini sana rona ni ngawe. Majinga limo business na rani na limo waburo na yeze gino kini stability business muyafere majanga ate. And mini sana ronga me, are you familiar with the society, with the community? Koroyo, are you really embedded within the society kini panaisa within your area? Because why Mafra, you're representing the platform there. But based on what you have said, it means like you're not represented because I will tell you this. Muniaba Rodwani, have you heard about his business in Yambio? I'm sure you haven't heard about him. He's from diaspora. That's why I want to prove to you, you haven't done your research properly. Number two, Borokina Yamba Ringa Ayat, Dokubo Kokotiro, Yaba Kokotiro, Niro Kokotiro,
Yeah.
She's running a big business there. You haven't had that. That means you're not in touch with people on the ground. And Mwini Budakina Yamba James Aquila. I'm sure you haven't heard about him. He's running business there on the ground. So at least you know, and these people are running liquidity business on the ground. So nego pa ngame, you're not even in touch with your people on the ground. Mamanga is study kaino pangayo. Okay, ada da boro kam duze dio na run business on the ground no gino amanga business yet. See, this is now here. I will give it to you. You know, you have to think about it. Then America pay for all. You have a Google, you have a computer in front of you. Mugugulu ngangame agwaza and azandete wa South Sudanese naraka zegino. How much have they contributed? How much are they contribute each year to the economy of South Sudan? And I will give you a figure. You can see it. Anybody can see the Borona Biranya. Every year, even this year, last year, Anna contributed $86 million annually for the economy of South Sudan. And I'll tell you this. And then secondly, the biggest year, Anna Hidimana, among all the African countries in the world, immigrant Narakas, South Sudan was number one. In 2021, we sent money back home, $1.2 billion. Google, you will see. The statistic is there. Matia, you Google it and put it on the screen. The statistic is there. Mana about diaspora Kida Kuru South Sudan. $1.2 billion. That included Azandena. We cannot differentiate. It was all as South Sudanese. So the reason that I can focus facts for because and we speak based on scientific evidence and I am basic in based board we have to give you figures so that way you see why Mafra then Minakaraga kusearch pokupa munute early ngame. We haven't done anything at all. Miara kasananga all these years for the last 20 years. Majority of Zande naraka huru Uganda yo. Okay? Naraka Kenya. Who do you think is sponsoring them? Ani yango ogyo ne ye kagida pai. Give me figure. That estimate best roughly. Ne nange for Uganda yo. Do you believe that in a wa but look for yo nakida mana kini ngare for ikinda for school yo wala agume kina zegino ni nange for you ikin graduate school yo. So I'm giving you this question. Can you please give me the answer to that?
Gude duk na chini pues I borrow yani five sponsor borrow who school in Uganda yo isn't a big deal. Nigeria is a tangible investment opportunity no gun. That one amor. That can show the ground around. Anya ngale jubata on our investment do anaka zandi no gun ne ono pran zandi zikini so Australia in invest with the in find don't see too much into villages like we need to be almost backward. I need to do within the city center to fight within the city center because you are go through bata. Ogrondi amana kino ona mangambanga maybe goni monthly salary revenue you people have been paid per hour than us here. Like we here back home we are still trying our best. Like on your now where over investment ona manga higher hour the other side because we don't see in the ground in terms of tangible investment. Mina can do now from Juba Town to Delhi. Maybe any investment guy not like maybe can answer your my major point right now ngamen is sponsoring no with the Kuzejo. These are just some of the things no go adwanga or something. Even me I'm supposed to get to school, it's not a big deal. Like in the problem right now, are you in the ground? Are you facing the challenges? Are you able to make something which can take for generations? Bana koraba or the owner of my biggest problem. Okay, this is my biggest problem. Yeah, look, no, go now forgo honestly. Let me be very honest with you. Go now forgo. She's very slow. On a franga wa kumbate. You have to talk like a man. Example, I will come younger now. Bana mka frate. But people come on foreign because all madunga totally weak. Pami akino panaga de look roni. Lengo dungani. Bamka awengame manaka okay ogabune buri kune fore spena specific kuzejo nakena ogabonga de kuzejo oshono ga kubali por suzo na poroshinia so japana bodunu kole ani jirengo kinu wa rengo ninga familia inogura kan negezejo I'm very familiar with it like how me apu pa ni ne kind of way coach pangame aboro zeke bongrio so I'm bising aweke naina go from dukuzejo no go naina dukuzejo it's not active it's not active because ugapona discussing about nuko kana kusende nzengene na kubongiro me unikauto goro la kadi ina bongiro azikana kapela kusende kino duku ya paro go whatsapp ugapali gapana na mangale
Yeah, sorry ka interrupt ro. I'm from that based on perspective, based on objective. Now me ani tackle issue by issue. Kana franga bo mama fra where you're jumping all over the place. So I want us to go more constructive. Let's just go. Busana means you have gone around Kim mentioned almost so many things. We can come to that. As long as we have time, we can come to that. So Busana means okay, Mumansare in my young. But what I want to tell you, my brother, is this. Education is part of the investment in the country. Because Ogo good day, Anatonoka sponsor ADD pilot. And I guarantee to you, some of them have graduated. Now they're working with the UN, even they're contributing back to the society. Okay, and Minikape for proudly ngame was an they have at least did their part to educate some of our kids, our youth within our society. And I'm sure probably maybe you're one of them. All right, because I'm sure at some point working hard after school, and you have also received money from the diaspora from somebody to your school. Okay, such things should not be forgotten. Such things should not be saying that no. Investment, education parts of investment. Then America pay for ngame. Uraka go udara ka Uganda, abara ka Uganda, Kenya. My friend, it's a lot of money. So look at the accommodation, school fees, feeding. Now go apare, because Nigeria no go apare. Umana nenu no godun kozegino. If you calculate this amount of money, Uganda is benefiting, Kenya is benefiting, South Sudan is benefiting, and this money is all coming from diaspora, from us. Okay, and mungo gule best gule nandu kuige best nga kanjera fabro. Plus, okubeta aboro na hata kamanga business yo. If you calculate this amount of money, it's a lot of money. And this is something that people like you need to look into it and try to appreciate. And I'll tell you honestly. I want to give you opportunity, my brother. Try to identify what do you mean exactly we are weak. I have an answer for you, but I want to give you a chance again repeat yourself so I can understand you very well. Then from there we can be able to go ahead. Wamaya and
Okay.
Amakuranga weak and Amakuranga soft. What do you mean by that? Come by.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Whatever women system no system looks like Ezekiel is more empower women than men. Yeah, and I did do more powerful than men. Lakini system no maybe he koyo yani abukana bale nga yani duke nayo ya umnya mna fone ni na consult gen batano and kona Africa leven de man make consult jaro te that de no so popule then no so tingenji ko man make he kamunga jiko ile to I'll take you out and bring another woman because gon system duko ngame yani women are more powerful beba singame yani onelisa de kishi ko ina kyani kale so ni pe batima ngame the majority no gabro na more power ne na gumenyo african koyo ngade bara mina kumba onya ngoke mungaro ya roja kama gude jimonyo maybe from your family yani kanuni ku Australia yo either I'm not sure maybe they might be pro siri babu ni sinere kane kumeni invitation wale ile deri bani duyo gen pasi don nga kuma me yesi rogo sengame kumba na sponsor ina boroko ya kina adesh ni ya so si me consideration pangame because based on my statistics in the year January ne ya wale from January up to December have to make a statistic ukabura approach ile in diaspora ngada the majority all ngade lakini zingine yo ngame ando ni nade foni bani nade foni eja pale na mage personal ni kwa kandu kwa lakini sporo ni me panga kina ade kina deri bani kina shiteni eja pale na manga so si me consideration ngame maybe ona daga kondoko ndio gude no gude kono so panga yitu tuzeje kadwoni because kanyamo kuruku de ja oradu monere you help other more people to go then you can expand your society like kamundo kina ina na society na guide skin grow up at your old age we come kama ha gude nemba ka jara kusayo ke even go gude wana bungara they cannot be so maybe do ina ga future ina ga future ina ne because kuna ina ona manga hale ona gwani no kando koyo ona utangule ilisoa madu keti na kupangaga ina pombo do ga pacha sama no keti lakini apa magairo so mentality leo so for only guide pe chugu mentality duwa wale kadunga very aggressive kuna kadunga very aggressive in your house kadunga be kana pana bodu ko chidunga ke na slow in a very slow way ga pa fuko kanda production magumba ham the going to be in a ka bega be ga pa no this is not the system do so pangame kadunga more aggressive or bude to kadunga more aggressive the society continue being more aggressive abuna bodu kita kaspan asa for example ngame kamuya kono mujira go shit ina jiba ngwame mujira ngwane jiba ete shirikati mujira kamandu mwili jana na wale nine because sisi niko napanda bado na ngwame so can do to the extent nga soft today man ironic do very soft when you in koyo they can fit within the society look do on that when you kono you can fit within the society because already wakuna gumba yibele ngamba tara yo boradi yo ka threaten do ngam ke threaten matara ngata so kan ngam monga gina igiri ngara de ke ka threaten no ngame muda famana ngana mazinga lakini because of your softness ngo ni ngai na shidumo pasi ngame ina threaten no ga pale yeke bro kana nga foreigner kana rugo ni ngara
Tamba Ganiko. Please ogronata ka jorani. Link kina anima attach here. So please link it mu copy here. King may have Google Chrome and then Anika dimiso. So before me answer Ganiko, America
Yeah,
ya ba kumbare masia. 2 minutes mukaranga patch ko pa paper. Be mi sana ko ngawe. What does it mean? Right. Yeah.
Sorry, Ogwa na kida request nga ina da ka join, but mina accept you for some reason cha ye yongo on the screen te. So
Now, ino use direct Google. E copy link like my Google Chrome, and then from there they'll be able to enter. Please, mu copy link in my Google Chrome, you'll be able to enter.
Pamye keno ngawe ino gulingile chano ngawe ina Facebook te wala besi kana duwane kurabo hona watch awale
yeah aborona watch ni kale abona dira ni kale
YouTube.
Okay.
On YouTube, ana broadcasting or going anga Facebook but on YouTube. Yeah, so gupambi na ada kapenga uliba mima ino gupanga you know the way ma fura menunga wake mi ruka saka habene ngaita I think bajiro na gago chipakura pa na do panga mu educate chiro rogoye mbatano mu ruka kusugu information ni ka no ya boro gulenga mu na create you know enmity kuchiro bambiko gu fugoro kena honiko songo rogaboro yo wenengaya and we don't want that bambiko munaida ranaida anaida raida and then gi discussion do le nga kasono sachirani gin we du kan ru kasono sachirani chidu panamanga ngame mina daka ka frato ni lipo gupa kuna penga enokunga tabani gu ogwa assistant ne yeno ogwa undo ana undo aborokina no andu nga andu ka tungbe no gupangame amina de ko undote aborokina na manga panga so quietly ogurani kinano no motumo gude from primary ikinyesi university investment dungan ogurani kinano na mamanga dungu apa anda ana mena kataki na ngbarani nanite bombi ko gupangame it's humanity in human sense bana katang baro inya moduno nete gupama pengaga aboro dunga aggressive. I think bonjoro mago chugupangame aninga azande aninga different people azande na wawa watadu na bagara rogo yote gwapanga ile mudu adunga aggressive mukniruka pa tiroga azande yote. I think bonjoro mago chin okay chadanga gupangame boro manyi pamanga bagara mbatano mukniruka succeed aborokina ho nyamo ogwa aboro namanga ga ya business yore ogwa pale nyamo ido adunga kina wawa watadu ido adunga bagara mbatai kinika succeed chi wote. I think gufugolore nado upanga mu refrain chini bombiko panamanga ngame kura problem mina da kape in the economic side ngaga hangame gupaku na pengo gumana ana kidano ku South Sudan yon economically there's a good side ngaga there's a bad side ngaga and then gukuras pake na miada kape bele ngame anga waduga anirago anina barago berani ngali ngara zande okay nedo gupanga ani focus ka develop he before ani jump nga andu mundu kan be plot na jubayo mundu kan ka jake na none ogwa pale so minada ka pepa foro wele ngame wadwani nga zande mukuni mbuga ba wele kini mbuka sono sagaba mukuni ndwa wele kini amuna ka sono sakana jubayo muna mbuga ba watadu izo yodo wele tomburo yo ngodo duni kan ka sono sa foro so ejane ne do panga ani ngare nganjara kurogoyo and then no kuropo bele na manga ngame wavura iye kiki kamanga vura kini kiki kamanga and then pakini manyingame gu ogwamana anakidaha masalan kenya a service kido adu wenengai poraniyo boronaru no mukidimana ogwa padurere and then chicken duku poro yo chinika undorogo dungwa payo for example chinika tumo abegu ogwa padurere and I'm sure me gupamia da ka peforo tabane ma fura muku pegupanga intelligence ilirani yote but me ada ka pegupana me foro ngame intelligence kina ilirani and then mi dure ngogu bambata boro nikanya foro aleme app kina omia develop here you're using it muno use nyamo gure intelligence nga hate so gupame ani sunga ke ino wodo renjani ka son sachirani anyanga ka duro no kino gupangame
Asi ana jangaro.
mwenje mbata kina gere kamu ni mwenje mbata
Asi ana jangaro te.
dungu
Minajua kwa
Okay.
onajana wale
Dan ko manajako.
ya bari inajana jam so yeah inajana jam so chidunga tungo gwa pare but guhedu hongame kanda maduro goranio kuchitirani ni tirani okay ana songo danga tirani rogo sonayo watadu rogo blinyote pakina rogoranio nga zande yes ngo gwe kana fura chipapa hangame jini he dudugu pache ni ngame kamuini barawene pai kama jini hedu kama penga chini fu kwaro watadu tipo kupanga kamuini barawene pai jini hedu kama sono sanga kwaro chini rogoye jane kena rogoranio okay but kango ho angani te aboroki na manga pa manga keno kupangame mamera ngame ka tangbaro na nite and mina amanga research ti paparo jibeli ga ina rogo April 2022 ya publish ina information is paparo ngaga rogo I radio tabani wamo unda aboro ikini ndo abroad wa padule which is a good thing and gukura okuna furanga enokone kupegupanga inanga kura research kina amanga hakeino gupangame ogwazande duzo jino abrokena naga ko nejipanga ga inanga investment ile pogudut papa investment ngame kamuduna mana bero muna bakale mana bero then ke security adunga patinia you lose that money gumana ni mama nga sunje he nga renjumo kikuru ma jengo rwaja besi kan kazo goro undu ka chiku imeyote grenga gipa le brada mina pe foro muru guchiro nani gipadu givura na manjiro go gani lingarare tima stop dungwa boro wana frana mone minanja ubamba boro not bamba boro maybe one of the many people kami dunga na mete kami dukana nyo kina boro yembie yo watadu weli kini gakoro gigbondo kan kazo ka bino ki manji dungwa pa and then gupa ha balewe ngame kong mangba ngame ani franga chipogwa pa ngame wadoni duyo okay oni zekinga organization ngogu pajben ka undorani ngame ona zakanga company ngogu company lembe ka facilitate pogu panga mwe ka manga shipment ngaga material equipments from China chipogu panga ana manga production nga sende du berani ne ka ena machine ni ka sawande kini kidi kwa kujubayo kena machine ni ka konda roso kena machine kini monjo gwa pa chipogu panga ani asedika industrialize chirani chidunika create more employment gana koragba gupapere mai nongaya ngame gu situation duro go gani lingara ogwa boro wuli kipadu na nga duna gaya peppers beyo okay akina hungame sunje beyote ligani lingaranga not safe so china gu inanga gu capacity chipo panga ka create environment nge peaceful environment chipo pangame aboro na create ogwapa lenye ka fu job fu yote eja hene no bodun ko nada mu count he anga chiyo ngame aningaza ande ana kenga te watado gurani duzo gino no gu kurapa muna pe hone ngame anafuranga too slow and then borona monada ka manga pa mukusana kana jaro mbatano gwa padulele I don't think gu mentality le ana furachi papaha bombiko gu padu dagbachele na jare watadu gu lavu dagbachele na jare miduna rilehe miduna ka discuss gu panga gu dutin but chiyo ngame muini gu poino ngame debero mukunu bachike nani gumbugo gudambule mudwaka muduna simbo tirogoro yo funi bombiko gupangame nina mbwambu and then nina kariwiro gu mentality ngame ana bi ajarani no gwambugo yambo nga kanjero fo gude gwa padule kini ka look you down watadu kini ka dunga aggressive you I don't think it's a very good idea bombiko che undongote sinike ka break ga family ani mabio gwa pano ngame yes adekina no na mapeli akumboyo and then tina manga obegu pangame kurare bokena ngame moye na jaro yo wenengai mukite kita dano jaro kini alie gini kuchiro kintina kato jaro kamanga likapa bombiko gupa gu lo duno tina feva kinade kamuvura manga gine kamuvura dunga aggressive muna manga pa foro fuchiro nga worse rogo gimbi dulele therefore gu oni giati se dagbachiro na jaro watadu li dunika dunga in charge nga gamana watadu li dunika manga gini pa gulenga goni ja individual giati se dungani bargunga gini ka generalize aboro kanyame aninga week wapadu lele I don't think it's really a good idea for me ape for brother so ani osedika sono sachirani rogu payangame gini ha du adunga berani lembiani kamanga ha gini information du bero no gudu bare rengbe ka saka hakini ka sono sahachi undo dungwa boro bombiko wa domine gu undo myafwe it's always not enough but kan manji gu hengo gudu rengbe ani kamanga haki du san wadwani nga zandele rengo kana chini koda tise beranite kana koda ngatirani ana manga paite kura community kinano yes ne yeki kidu no ki manji gaina kini manji wo sondu kini contribute ke ya mana kini manji dungwa pa rogo ge ya rago sayo veteran kina huna mamanga ngazande but kumuhengame gupanga trust chidagbaranite ne gipane bele kalimo mina pe frongame oboro agbari ni zogino kini gbari kandu koyo gusogo ninga ina sogoro nga kisogoro giana tina gaha impact nga very serious bombiko kachidwa wele ngame aboruna sogaro for no reason mama nga hente tina ka ske ya raske iyo gupamuna da kamanga ha mama nga hate benko gupangame gu ana inongo mwai ka udachiranite ana inongo mwaka kodachiranite ani mo inonga opportunity du fo gurani du kuzagino chipo kupanga ka sono satirani but koda tise ngogu na kodarani wele ani kisumu kamanga pana koda tise chipo kupanga chiunda gani aboro but mungarenga back ngame ani mo yenga from far nga azande kativora dunga mune bigu sense ngame ana manga paite ani mo ye by far okay mungarenga back 25 years back and then kibingo gu education level nga gazande ka kompenga achigure bona dure na gudu aware I'm sure azande kina duma na madunga millionaires including Australia ogwapama penga ga investment ile for example wana manga sunja no ana gani super kina ho gani ina kina nga investment kina ho ogwapamu na penga ga ana invest kina no kimbu plani bargupomo inongo ya ngame kasidwale mengame mimongi sunje for all these 25 years mikine retire so gi super annuation kina ho na mada over $200,000 okay kemi retire mikini gbari awre kini gaku poro yo gumana ne na ba nike ye fore kana koyo I can still do something I can still invest rogoyo aburukina na manbe ka poro no so gupana manga ngame muna njara koroga payo wale muna gude chiliro mbahanga munbe porono chipokupanga gbana kuragba mumu create inanga future fuyo ngame gbana kuragba weni katuna ka sona ikini gu poronga hale mukuni binza mukuni tinika nyefuyo instead ina renti ya renti nga bolewete gumana ngo guye bihere inika manga kura investment nan jane na do panga mungarenga korogo wenenga bamko chidungo kura he me bingo nga mu calculate hewene nga mu ka generalize aburu nga yo gwazande duzo gino you know benatranite anga not intelligent o gwapadulere so mu manjiga research wene nga ana soga nga rote but ana pay for ni za hengame tunga fugo gudulere cho undongorani na barani dundukote kura burkina ngba jijinchi yo kura burkina ho angmanga jijinchi ya and then kura burkina onike bia wele ngame okay muna go pepo gudulere gugude ni no undoru kuyembie yo wataduku iganda yo nikini katige ni unda wele tini basically afugo gudulere so changmangate and then ogwapana let gani rago kachina sonanga ya bekine gupangame yani wagbata ka boro wogupamine no nipembatan nga wakeni yame gwa mana nga gwa kama billions ngogu na nduko yole abrokidu kina yembe yo service kidu yo wenenga kana kidogu mana ne koyo gumana ne kena inject krogo local economy and then itsikini unda aboro undo these are all steps ngaga economic progress rogo lingara tikini create jobs and then abrokidu nga you know well off kini monji mana kina rogi padule but one batakani na masalan minaki damana ku unda bor ku Uganda ya watadu ku Kenya ya gwa padulele so gumana ne nandu kurogo gu economy ngaga Kenya so muini gupoino ngame vura machikulirani tima bunzu unzugura pa anza nje kani kompenga chirani yote these are people inga game
So,
ge
anipeye question kina machikogule masia. Question kina chikogule ngaga nzenye nani. Psychology ngaga nzenye na psychology ngaga zande. Anipeye kafra kwa chikogule. So, miye denka funga chance ku brother Simon. So, kukaranga panga briefly nikanda kumbatai. So, please, mimaino ngame paidu ngani ngani very sensitive topic. Ane sedingo ka funga gani wa kometi. Maybe ka yagbe 3 minutes. Kwa question kina cha dani ya sedika fugo. Fugo pazande. Alright, brother Simon, go ahead.
Okay,
Obro ninada ka join onake ka message ane please mu copy ku link ile ki mai hero go Google Chrome ka join rani. Kati dunga me it's hard for you to copy the link. Mundu korogo LTS page, Facebook page, mi mama hayo. It's easy for you to copy from there and then keep pese korogo Google Chrome mun keri mai. Taban.
Okay. Tamba nchipa kafuza manu bole fale. I hope one bunga sidunga 5 minutes. Because miade kafula na bumelanenga ganiko chipa wapo peke kole. Miene ngo mini pemba tano lakini miade kape bule kashunga mina pengate. Kashuvula kamudungo kuborongo guninga bweli poro gudekidu chunjona na bia. Sometime kure education kana kaso kupanga idunga agency. It doesn't matter if ugafongo gumapeli urupo dunga ulenga bambata America pefuko biko agwa fugo ukushiko hole kuna ben upo kenyame shiwa kuna de ka motive agwa producer yo imonji pasayo imonji pakporo wo cha kwa ben wo kenyo gupo kwa pele yan shi kaso upo nga agwa producer yo imonji pakporo wo brother Masai na pele kura boro kana na wili okay wa miafra na mo mina wili lakin kura boro kana kama na ma wili mbatano fale o manga o mape pani wo gudule boro bigule njimo gunya nyambu na ni spaka wili kini nyanga dai kini ame agupa manga ali za torogo chini te boro na idate o manga pate wili ne so upanga me musabena na saka mo manga bolewe and then mereka fura ka sahe ni ka miado pa kunka karaga chipogu pale biko kuna kwata fura kaya kuna fura chipa zande bole kini fura kaya kuna fura chipa all South Sudan biko gupa bimi hachi upo kwa peka ha ya hata gwa kwa business yoro gwa po kwa manga hale kwa manga chipa zande community te kuna manga hachi pa pako ngako chipa gako benefit biko kwa fulani ngame abure ke jo bajuba yo kam me bajuba yo gwa pale mieno gupanga me agwa bongo gwa abura me juba has chipa zande wa chipa fuyo te kanyame masalan chipa pa zande mieno upanga me ke jo bajuba ka me ka bajuba yo chipa zande te chipa pale ngemi biko gbana kula gbo kwa pehe gbana kula gbo me ka gami do sungu juba yo lakini ga shunga na fla chipa zande shadow panga me ani fulun wodu kan me agwa badu du poro yo biko wale kamilikizi plot juba yo agwa boni ke ka menga bamerago miyene kana habari yana agwa boro ini kame foho gulenga gu agwa zande ngogu yo du yembie yo kabani dubale ni ikimehe kiji kimbe unine kinano fo gude ku poro yo fo uli azande chipo ile kasona kumbata yo aguzandele ne bingo tembiko jine bimwe investment na juba yo. So kashudunga Amerika unda zande mi ande kimbe ba yembie yo kiye no guborongo gu na professional kana zande nike ki mehe gumarango gu mika funine shiniko undo gani family gulenga shiniko undo zande community nga zande kachunga na frach poli mazande lakini kana frach pa general South Sudan investment aninga bia boro mikin gulimo nga investment ane bia wakanya toni podunga bomba tapanga investment o made ka invest ga marani investment wakanya me munafu he mukuni PGH pashi karaga che foro South Sudan ngogu boka bolo mo investment rogo ete ku America pay for nga number 1 biko capital bank ina national bank South Sudan yote kamundwani kimwe gamana ku benga ga South Sudan paka ndugba kan ka jaha yafunga forto mun ko sungo chitaburu nga liro kikish ina forma na bank yote okay ana flat pa investment chano pangame ana munabena chipo security and then munabena za chipo national capital nga gulingana mama investment rogo asa kaminunga alifo pishiboro nga myesungo le okay plani ya manga ya gwapala andi kama investment bomba topo gubol ni keni mokoyo kebi South Sudan hal ga high economic nwa ha gumana kalindukeli misogeni maranga $1 million ha gumana sin kakala gati nwa ni kaja mbagini jan so kana franga we nduka gbata boro ni na boro ni monja gwapala is not and then meleka frana ko bolispo upanga ga kwa kutaroga lingana na ba tarogo lingana ino lingana nga hate asa miafra na minga shange mineka ndwale kindu Germany French Belgium agwabale me igongo kupanga ko kya mina mandukizo no mata yenga ga Belgium kulenga mwene Belgium na abate wala mwene ga system wala mwene ga iraka no it's just on my way kaminunga reference abeki da Paris yo kida ni restaurant kila hotel gulinga mweno France no ganun alingana na ganun rogoya kana homu katno ka adafo bills katno ka adafa agwa taxes nga galingana ya do muka ino gwenga system tarugo lingana gulenga ino lingana nga hata mi mweno ponga kutaro golingalo kwa peka mizami tarugo lingana lakini kamiyanga mi mweno hombi ko atemi rogo mi mweno ge system ogwa pali guloka yazile dunga Biko kamunyengo la kupola yo ngame muni yeko kadakpole mikini fubombo la mefomu kunela kamununga kipefa bolongo mimweno Simon mimweno gwa patch pako gwa pale no meteli misongolo kumada baete meteli misongolo ko gi ina historia minego jimya henite meli misongolo gi garashite mweno go patch palete wo chiga patalo golinga kana muko na ka da foga system no ikeli misongolo system ya do muko ina and then mina frachpa gupa ke ye Africa wuli kapon gudo Africa East Africa yo voile yo chini Europe no America ou Australia ate kan vula donc na dictor vu kan vula na dictor ha wala munamanga amalia juba yo gwa pale bakari musesh fabero mundu wa kwa America kini duka papa sunge pishibolo ke ko sungo muko zedenita biko ina po ka ya mawole kanga pata agwa padule studio chalo panga mali bena ho made ka motive aboloni chalo panga musenge abolta wala gule azana ya woshiro chalo panga mu woshibo paka motive nita and then kama alunga wiro mbiko ga wuli jerani ye na 100% school ya yani kula boroka na manga wani jupanga wuli filan dule ni ye na bakari not school yo nikinduka tunakete guni dukporo kina ire popongamo ire mungo ngamo gine mama ngacho wuli filan ya gule rugatisen gule rugutenga ate kamwengo wiro wo gule muku piji bana kula go gudele wakula bene ngate mbiko gine muna compare no go gude no wuli jerani Sharo panga mu motive wiro mo afuni okay gidoro dule moyingo nante lakini gudoro kai bole moye nane mo no panga we yin ki borodo ngama ndeni gule ki undo mbatai lakini kan compare nga chira na nzengete
Alright.
kwa investment tatapanga hate
ya
ndeni
kalas
taro goli
mima
nya ne be bimbatano be agumerani wani taro goli bakindu kana wale kalas nimo bitini ngawe bakale borongo mo na pachari ngana na bon ko no it's just a visiting we are visiting countries Kara hotel yoki damata mu yoki kurukandu gulenga you don't know anything about it about the country nga muneno system na mu maseri ka da foga e bills yi mama rogo system ku moeno wodu munandu basunge yoki ni kuru basunge ki moeno wodu abura ko saka mu kinyi misa kam agwapal meno ponga bra Dominic ku patch pa gwali ngara ta ko rogo amkini ku ni mo bes ku da da yoki kidam hotel yoki kuru kindu it doesn't mean that ku moeno patch pa oh
Yeah. Yeah.
different gumya pepa ngogu chimi angmanga chile kasinga na de ka frach pa ka developers and michi ka mizinga chipate yani kas liko jina ada pangani develop gani linga shado pangani ani ka bigini jene dukan de kuli ka popo gude yo ngodu kan de
Yeah.
jana
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
yeah
yeah iko izaje na
Okay. Alright.
gupamya da be brother gani komya pio muhengawe ani sungo ka bigini poduka ke na ke na sunge fu uli azande ke sungo ka anje kana dumuna ka anje kana kusteni zeki music sugu ya shedo pangawe ani gbata genjene do ka shununga jene beko ka ku mwengo investment jubaya kundu kuyembia yo kiza kijene kiza kigubongo uko agwa bordu yo ke ko unda agwa parangadu e biwulsun so upamya da beko nga na do panga ni frach pa so upanga na do panga ni motivichiran lakini unga kan biara go jubaya ni monja sichipa pako pafuga ko family. This is not about communities.
Yeah. Tambai, brother. Tambai.
yeah
Tambai, brother Yasin. Sipoke by the way, Minikado are very strict in Arebo. Because Aboroma Tona Kangel. So Minikado is strict. 2 minutes, you pass your 2 minutes, I will interrupt you. So please, I
Okay.
need to know precisely now comment. In Moinge directly within 2 minutes. Because otherwise, Reba Nikando na Nikanga. So, ukamilika karagachpa wa parino bodu ngo sana mini sana he nikini ka chance bele fu roba boro yele comment 2 minutes only So brother Gandhi ko go sana min sana na ne go samari min ka mangahanga me. Why muna franga ani dunga aggressive. Anafura anafura na soft wapare. Let me tell you something, my brother. The society anara karogo. It's a civilized society. Anga hume nika saro mubia gari ngoto. Ane omo behaving aggressively. My brother, you will end up in mental health. Na ikina hayamba hanga inono na dawa mukukuru. Best wako na popo. Numgelike bironga we you're mentally disturbed. Aggressiveness, no, in a bironga you're not civilized. Apanyo no bodunduko, gare go. You don't have to be aggressive. Be more polite, explain yourself, and then mukija gare hanga you have to be aggressive. Now wapanga ka kumbari. Ukalcha anara karuba where this is 21st century. Why yanet abarani anatreta nani na wapare. This is not the time anikatrita jarani nani. Yes, Ryan Abarara Kano, yes, Kadabra Gipana Yami, Gonuna na Febade. Kina depend if you treat your wife with respect, nearly so. Like in Kamudwa, na Mada Kaduna, aggressive no wapare, mobi ebia. So, Chiogupa, we live in a very civilized society. Agopanga aggressiveness, it will never take you anywhere. The only thing it will take you to jail. It's a different society, totally. It's not compared to Chugu society or not. So,
Mina
in
join
a,
ya wale abro
you
na
know,
jana.
yeah, anajua Mungu mige for
Oh,
please. Anajua.
okay.
So, upama chada mwini hengame, modele umaya mumata. I'm sure you have read some books. When you go to Rome, behave like Roman. Mamagi agu president. So you have to respect their laws. It doesn't mean you have become weak. No, this is not how it is. And pamun apehenga statistic ngawe owa buruna roga agume kuzegino ngade. My brother, I don't know where you got the statistic from, but I will dispute that. The Hamunike na figure prani, legit figure, maybe we'll accept that because bahagre. How much to comment to work bring evidence, scientific evidence. When we go, give me 1 minute per for government. Go and check it in Google, you will see it. At $6 million we contribute every year. And 2021 we contribute 1.2 billion. You can check it for yourself. So what we will know about it. So now upamela kamanga hanga menigada kafus chance for just saying for chance for moko 2 minutes guys because packet it another kafrali pa. So Justin, you're most welcome. So 2 minutes. Sana
Ya
hedum
tamba
barafu. Yeah.
tamba onajane.
Yes, anajua.
Nafsana front ndiko tamba ya bro LTS tepa kene me kwane. Rumor Justin na bama tare godre mi bi jim brada nga ganiko. So ganiko minang baro ke biro. So bamba tapa me da kape fronga me. Taban ganiko ana sagungarote. We love you as a brother tepa mongazande. But gopado hongawe and dislike gopai mupe hechi pagwa bro do diaspora. This is what and sogoho no pamo pehe. It's not the first time. Chua kaya me muye kachi rogo kura due no na magbera ni batano. Gubang sa pamo pehe chama manga matano. So muye chambore ki garaka habore. So that's why dunga borokino yani nini maduna gbera rago. So since yesterday aborokina nema pick up dunga pai but I can yawe no. We have to calm down. Chepachani ani yemboro kasaka gin pai kaja gupadung baro bukun borokino du ndurin duro wala mobi borobia na jaro so mungkin ka jagwa pare ke na gwa ka dungro gwa pare na ba ka kusa against ran so bamba tapa me ka pehenga ga taban cepa muna ya ka sabia ga investment there's a lot of different definition canada ka pech pa investment beta mia elda sakina ni mafrari pa kamu define investment ga dunga brama mangaro go different way in supporting kids in Uganda, Kenya, or even in Ethiopia or somewhere, all in different countries. Dunga Brahma supporters ukura agumeran kenaya.
So
So
Justin, go direct your question. Direct
no.
Bernardo. Yeah.
So my question is that's why I'm just coming to that. My question is Pokunaya ani ho agabadusayo. We are useless. So we're not investing. So I want to explain to him shortly that like how do people invest? Sangawe kakwada kama ga ko content re kaku consultrani batano agorgorandu sano we are well organized ngago abrodu ane mi dura te mia frare mi nga sultan logo di mi state bia nga gazande duno so na dungo seven state do ane ai bia kina rogo na boyo kamada ka fra ti papai moyo mungarani maybe go abroma fra ne yo ren muna penga me a joya control ko mana sana jakore bukun go abrore because abro sate akumba sate there's a weak akumba kinonga weak akura akumba kinonga modern intelligent now very smart umuna pe so kama frana dunga boro aka kasana nga we gina boro du kware rogo ni state bu boro ma frana ni gina boro du yo ga bien wala gina boro du yo na ma go apadu gre kan so to boro re batano ke no gin pai kamu gene ga mo nga information chipakare content mo mangere sanga we mere ka pe fro nga we sanga we agogro na rakano dunga broma manga investment zavra no aba no manga investment no begine begupa kura gimal das na penga we poro yo mar kama investment yo borho nike bie wa yani go panga go meme panga we ko ndoro na nite ngone ka manga ha urkwaro nke yo kabisa ha so muka bisa go mara go bambara mana ba almost 50,000 my expenditure kama ga mo investment ko yo kini ka bisa wo go base is painful so china discourage so omuna penga we anga week anga na ta kumba anga kina kumba ina kina ke bari kina chira anga akumba ha you know kan yaro go gini pata ono ani no you are well educated apishaboro wayara kan na kura gwa tunga duno apa no nga burkote in educating now you have to do things in a peaceful way so gupadu poro yo nga ga ume chidu apa no nga argo jene chinia abona maga pa na ba go begbera pai ume wala gini pai ka no boro bis kuma pai wara kima no boro you see this is a kind of mentality is not happening here so chidmere ka pe foro ngawe before you do your content you have to do a proper research kanya munga smart I know you study a lot but do proper research for examination o mata kan do by examination you have to study do a lot of research before you go to achieve to be successful in your exam kama manga research here is going to backfire you so wore aga anasasara na do a question me nga wo do kura question kana no ma answer nga you didn't answer it correctly but mona pe bes nga because you know that you're guilty already but you need to admit it kanja kura paki no you need to admit it because you never admit that like there's a lot of mistake you have done me bete so chumi na pe bes me ka flag bate na kura kina mon pe nga we anando ko yo gudere berenga was
Anke,
ko ka
anke istogule. Justin, sorry, anke istogule. Tamba mifucha. Yeah,
Okay.
mifucha chance
Yeah.
for Muku. Muku, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So please put your question to your brother. Gani content gwaniko kini answer on. Yes, Muku, go ahead.
Gene wala miese jigitore bo. So mi ajengo gwa pa gwa caution in ngogu mwingine bodu nukote. But gupamini mina ide ka yechi nzunzu kuroge program na nzunzu sipo gupanga gani ko gupa kuna pehe parani ngogula naraka kuzegi nonene. Ngogule du ni mshingodule. So bambata sanae mia sanae tipako na ningame. Gusa yani chipagine du kwa ida kapegu pale chini kuna ida kapegu pale bambiko gine kuna ida ani tunaka fra chipogwa panzunzu gangu kasono shirani kumbatayo kasono shirani kwalio wala kwa pegu pa besi lengame bambiko nyani kuna ida ka bien ogapanga social media popularity or something like that yani something that can get us talking. Gulenga gibamba tasanae mia sanae konani.
Tamba.
Uwe ngogu panga bere mini mape ngame. Is it to do with he has a statistics or like what does he has to say to back his claims? So gulenga gisana etimi because I want to know this, because me, I'm not going to judge him based on what he have asked. I've reasoned.
Mm.
I've tried to reason why he asked the question, and minga bamba taboro miada ka advice ketipo ngame ani sogochraninga azandete kati dungame bonona kasana sana heareme. We have to sit down and talk about it, and that's my position. I am not talking any side. I'm
Wait.
not angry at him. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Taban,
I think
Taban, and
Roger.
go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, me nambara ko for wale me. Na me ko back ma fu Justin. Justin dute. Munyo bian mori.
That's
Yeah,
Australian.
man.
Yeah, Justin. Yeah, Justin. Yeah, me nafta ma spogo go back ma mudwale fanga ani ni chirani. Because the major point of content do them when you carry. It's just about for us to come to know each other. Okay. Yeah, and I don't have anything personally. How chiranga personally. Dunga burokina to bam tare buch pani ndarak non. Okay. Name is that we mingashi wangame kura bukwe bengole batane. I think bam tare budu wale antin ke ino ni ke ino kapo ni amaka. So the content no budu wale actually yani paho chilenga personally which you go about na kile joka patere. Say just minafro ku bogwa aboro. Sasa na ida bona sana oze kino. Complain na bora pa pati foga bozo joka pa. Mikina na ask pangami we discuss it. Like tabana now we road from the I'm only one fast the diaspora ka but how to roll from when no good one maybe no you now back it up there. Okay. That's one. So spoku just in Agumba Hade. I don't have any personal issues or pahono gudunga problem as no appreciate okay. This main contest pangame why do can say for chani pangame ka it's kan iri oga paranga du ani ngo chirante oga pana buru pana mwana bodno kura pakina mine ni no kono ye ka munga why ka so kame yero get best ngami ne best in a very smooth way but how to pay attention to on organize game na do rebe pangame fighting him shiron yo ni chini kwan otherwise okay kwanete so mi bes na daga oga pa ngoro ni kanya ha ke se mai du ka sa ka balance it out then we move forward.
Responding to me,
Okay.
did he money you pa mini
No,
pe?
no,
Okay.
no, no. Mugu,
Yeah,
Mugu, you're
fanga
not gonna go like that.
ngame
You raise your
ya
question, you
chadu tabani
answer.
ngame
Yeah.
okay pai content duare me pa personality me mo ngame kasa de kaino mentality na na bro do jo all of us have to come together to discuss some we don't go kasa na heno do abro no me at the ground oga pa bro daily basis na ya na bro do some of the things the view of the general people public me de panga kashi no ni only response to Waziri ukapanda bogo na kana bono ko ona pinga falete ona pefu the audience no ga bro no bio bunga responsible for the action to that because me I'm just like somebody open the forum for everybody like cheer up this kind of things so that aboro fresh paha oga poro kuna fora ba chiro ni the local diaspora no ga bro kono oga sense no kuna fora abro discuss ke ke yani it's not like me version no and enough fora oga randi kono so so no go look yo yani channel te banga personal is not any individual in a nga debate na prote no and after some and randu kono gani view du kono chi wari goni view du kono chi wari then we discuss then we come up with something intangible.
Okay. Can you fry Noka?
Uh,
That's short.
Mu-
Short.
yes,
Because
okay. 1 minute, yes. Yeah.
ku respond. Taban tambay gani ko chipagupa mo pehere. Gupa bes mele ka petoni ngawe. Chipafugu fugu abona bigu shore aha. Gu shore niko. Ngawe. Taban gwenga ngodu se ani mbwa kusai. Ngodu se chanunga nan kumbataete. So dunga paki nanga ga grandu sano. Another ka wokri pa hati pa waika ni dusa. Kena gana bor kono zato. Wala ka waika ni ndo gwa bor dio. Dunga bor kena do no really have good skills. So but gupana manga ruko. People back home na gana brothers poroyo. They have like ruko. Zavra kuna paki na mina dunga bor kena mi frana yezejo. Poroyo. Gaunwe a Kenyans kuran watu wakina nenga kitir kono. Naga student visa chipaka gida nurse chipagi na kaya batanga gu generation ya iya kono ya. I told bro na taking us seriously. We trying to help things there, but our people there, some of them, they are not taking it serious to push it harder and say like, okay, gin pada kan mangi, which way can we go, which way can we go. Wa modurere ganiko. You're doing well. No mo penga mo no ndabro ina no kagida pa radio papa. So if you connect with people in abroad, Australia, USA, Canada, they will help you out. So chicken boost gum business. You see, we know the direction where to put you into good business. But muye kini kama nganga ume kini ka bro chama ko yo bro chama ana maja gupare matano. But anyway, mina penga we don't hate you, but we dislike what you said as a brother. If you
Okay.
can if you can adjust yourself, that will be good. We will be together. So
Okay.
this is
Tambaya
my
Justin. Tambaya
yeah.
tambaya toni chipagwa goni asasana here. So brother ganiko anikando chipagwa sana then because Gonando, I will ask two questions at the same time. Um Ubamba sana hengani te. This is kind of like explanation tabane munu yembo upanga munu repeat upanga anzenge inamanga pa ogyo duse kino inamanga pa gupamera ka pe for chale muni hengame there's different dabatirani na anzenge psychology kia chigaza the psychology anzenge dule gupaju chikwepo yo ngame nile katakata nama wale ikitakata dabacho no gwafale na gwapali no bodumuko but as soon panika mangani ngame gipale ume ni namanga pa wala nzenge kure ni namanga pa mungu pa nikondo yini wala nikondo yo unikai pangame ilika support kuzenge they will try to do things to be more easier for that person as soon as possible ndugu pa ngape kupale chini ondule man experience kupale onedie bina manga nipenga foro ngame awanze hinaraka zegino ogwapa mape kanga mune biyo gyo naraka zegine namanga pa koro yole ina mangwa pale pole bamugine because of the support they get on the ground bege abo bege kidi papo gani ko mupenga furani gani kidi papo koro yo kam bali na me aneze kino ngo grandu zegino wala wali Ethiopia yo tu Kampala ya project bero mara kanu kama nga hakoro yo munandu fo gani kidi papo ngo iyo se dingo ko puchingoro ko ndongoro kaza kagene foro boro ni kama nga forote gupapesi mwana kagia nga wala gi department ngani te wala chi wale ejapale kuchini monhoni kondorote lakini zengi maingo munka panga immediately nini kanduki yawe look container jamin barra jamin Kampala wala jamin Mombasa da munumule kine telefoni kia kwa container du boro minisa naje telefoni kine telefoni ngame ka borze dingo ya keze kingo ya that container munka panga container nikari numule yo zanga dafa GST zanga dafa tax tikilimi because ine ni maina ngame gumeni dunganze inata kamanga pai so they have to support that person at the best level chipa ni mwenye apanya ide lakini zande mkwali nga module nga zande module zato nga ngani ko mwanamanga business amanga I'm sure you shipping some stuff from abroad to bring it to South Sudan. How much money you pay at the Numile border? Have you ever got support from a Zande leader on the ground? Please, gudenga gani ko bigimia head. Please let him enter Numile free. No, they don't support you. So the difference between the Dagwachana and Anzenge na support you 100%. That's why Mutanga was and do say, in a manga by the Bachio, in a improve. If they don't afford and afford an amanga for yore, Munapinga in a manga, Papimko Gine, Agume Mamanga Pafioga easy. If the dog challenge Yaga Waganite, like in Gani, Sanga woman but no kando, women or do you get papa or Walaguni system, or Gronini system, you will never support. Heonamanga go to say, Bugbering go to say. Okay? Dunga Burkina Mamanga Papu Magia Hagide. There is no support. And then probably now this issue of any other, for example, modular businessmen ganiko. How many business mamanga? Can I do business naga kidogo kusegi or you have other business?
Yeah, maybe I have other business no go namanga but majorly
Oh,
kidogo de hiyo.
okay. That's fine. But mwili pangame. Wago statement go overall statement mamangi wala mama yani bro munu rikitegi bende na contributing got ana magariga pata. Ati dunga you have other business, either it's a food business or either it's a restaurant or hotel, whatever. Do you know that my money actually contribute to your business? Go $50 mini kidi rufugumane. Onaja kumana kandu kusiyo kandu kange hedero. Remember, I have supported the business because the money came from me. If it wasn't because of me, I really won't be able to go and support a business kange hedero. So this is how the chain of money works. During your businessman, you understand how the chain of money, how it travels. So our money doesn't come directly but in another way, you're benefiting from it, my brother. So these are the things na imisa boronikare. So minika karaga foro kapehengame. Do not compare us na Anzenge because Anzenge in a leverage platform there. That doesn't mean ngawe ani dunga wiki kanya waduyo na a leverage be idu rogo kuma idu rogo system me. Ani tungo kadu besi ni mumbara. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying here is as you do now you're demanding us to do something on the ground. Some of you people on the ground also need to support. We need to collaborate with each other. Okay? You as a businessman, Origina ni mention find out very important part tangible. Wama plastic rane agurantu zegino. Nipenga example for our Uganda society nga gazade. Module nga businessmen. We have a lot of our boys and girls among tungene NGOs. All right? Gini po ono songo dagwachironi eki from goyamba nga corporate. Kinia. And hiki panga me agani ko Sudan ya wala Juba ya wala yembio yo ya boro namanga uli apoto yidu mwana chio kizeki corporation wala kasopo bino wala kamanga gire tipa chidunga example o chidunga challenge fulani nga oguran duzegino. Kuchino mu omuke ka fulani ogule muku for example nga oni bingara. Veteran mu nada kasa da kamanga pae. And madunga challenge kizeki doki corporation anamanga pae paazan. So that way you will have that legitimacy ka fura. Wow, yeah, challenge now. I'm not going to challenge you because I'll be able to. Yes, you have set an example. But individual achievement, you cannot brag with it. When you want just individual achievement, it's fine. You're proud of it. That's fine. But you cannot overrate. Now it's representing Azande because the way you spoke, choking Yahweh, it represents the whole Azande. No, this is your business. This is your own business. Okay? Another collective achievement. And collective achievement in the beginning, when you start doing things as a group of people, that's when as a society we are progressing, we are achieving things. So that's the difference between individual achievement and collective achievement. Because so dungurani kinayo opportunity beron kamanga dunga apa. But you people are not even cooperating on the ground. Cooperating that you are not cooperating. So, tinga upamina na prepare for dadu wembi you dropped out. So, yeah, welcome back Ganiko. So, utana meda kasanaro nani Ganiko now. Based on what I'm pay no boy to look. Only when you know how the ground was and as a group, Mumbu Pachiro, this an individual. Don't talk about yourself. Because Kachidunga another capacity of Parani and do and Mama Dunga, but you don't anaphronize for party. It's a group of people. Go better on that was and they do no opportunity to be running on the ground. Give no money here. Give example for Aganda.
Yeah, okay. I think Spogi video really compare to Minga against individual achievement because kami first individual achievement, kami first pachire. Lakini me franga general. That means now me that nedo pangame a group achievement made ha. Kami first people ko ngame ko bigo ni achievement ko ona manga. That means we also here we are so concerned. Yeah, we remember here me among aspiring as individual. Me for the people who are here, their views, okay, their views based on the people in the diaspora. Okaparu kuna manga okapaye bikono. So I do the video based on their own views, on my own views also. So based on me, I deny on okay, I don't deny that fact. But the majority of Gabon may have Canada Australia, they complain a lot on their behalf. Okay, I borrow to the extent whereby even I school to the extent whereby even application form $100 per annum profit in Australia is very difficult. Very difficult. Not to worry, boom, Katino Manangani tell. Angaranga Obudekinane. Promise you, okay. I think also you have some kind of mental kind of a psychological damage to these people back home. Hello, are you listening on again?
Yes.
Yeah. So we found out how the biggest mistake ngame on manga psychological damage to go with the dukon. Example ngame kabo gude duno maybe when school did the yoga pale. Ka promise ngame ni kaja rufiki. Gude every year unike tilo pangame. Andromi Zejo, Unkajal, every year Kindachi, every year Kindachi, you could go home when for manga hat, waiting on a go to Zikajo. At the end of the day, uma fail kan
Manajale
ko
kaniko.
then upako no mwenye
Manajale.
bode singo already late ukimasa kambira buda pana gade papa leti kunga ono contribute that to psychologically uchigo bude dukono oga dukono ona mga false promise kunga on kaje wise that's one no kula pa bade ngame mini no pete ba ngame mi mar kunga go na activity na pa mine pangame that as an community ne zejo po di from manjane di from so pangame mini pangame ya akumbaki ne zejo otherwise kami ni ngo hotel because ona proper judge because based on the assumption du kono nogo ane bie kono ane ngo ngame oni ne reason go ana fraud te kasi ta bana this forum ana manga all the time so one ka fasa in front taban on dumia ko on duzejo in the economic power one ka fasa in front ngale gani ko ke mpa biyo go bio after ani ni chirani ani na program wale investors wale me do not keep focal person okay we need to send an investor ke mi simi ni ara go na bodu ko gold government offices na bodu ko even the apps to like program me okay investment market ni kono ni wali na bodu ko me yu business le mi na je ni direct pro pana so ko yo mo yu mo kudu kana chamu so pasha fa ngame after ani ni shirani che o don karo chinya wale kaino gina business kan mangi he ina connection kan mangi da pasha no do no in the ground nga very active because oga misi kina bomo ngiro no boruko because ngame ho dumo ni ko chpadu mo ko kamru ke kono mo dingu borno guni nga very trusted lakin after conversation ani ni china ma identify gi borno ngani dunga the focal person kam dili neni you think should go right kam dili go think go right so I think the forum money it is a chinga very good pangame ani sirke ni china this introduction because panga ke no chirani memo na wale dunguro ni awale wona ring show mo na bo ko memo ni anytime that five the contact any of you kami travel kuzejo kama rokura ba meka yamba because pana facing ngame ai bana kala go yatu kan duka ne bono kunzana kami ndo inte maybe can face challenges asa ulime no pongo roja yo mo ina yonga ina justin wo gabule meno ya that next time I think yeah Romano and then that one kunya ko USA
Dungo
yes
ogyo kina ho ye yengo sa
yes
te motene ngo all over the world.
yeah
Ni mange.
yes so she's all says okay no ngame yeah they bro that's panga timbinga very nanga very happy me pro go dinga go man pe bigani bro go ngi bro zandi do le miki do in their own na maybe na mga taxi na mga do le miki ndo le miki pinga te banga zani bio lakini sometimes nando kam dingo bro go ndiro na zani ka go ara go okay so shino go pa no go do me ase de ka sara ka for I never been bitter this me ye na go topic ngame ka drogo na attention because on you very busy sometimes on very busy pangame bro drogo na attention ile bro ina tunga po police pongo ile sirikini panganga pa kino ino kuna ma
So me next.
Okay.
But no,
Raja,
that's fine. But just wait. Minakaraga chile Ganiko. Ganiko, you have dodged my question. Minakaraga chile before. Mina sana wani kia inas yangilingame. Give us some example. Wa achievement onu mwenye he on the ground ngo gwazande du poro yo as a collective group of people onu mwenye he. Because when you pay for now, you are attacking us now and amanga party. Nego panga another kasomonia. In here on money or like in here on money as a group of people in the ground. On money or on amanga. Please answer my
okay
question.
panho manjani ete meko gani mental na gazande we rely on you in the diaspora on do how to direct us because only do we keep in your party kona board to direct us give us assignment this is why not giving move group assignment fan ngani mangi can fail show kibran because ani awore ani very literacy ana gidanga party kona ani ngo party only do ka direct rani onakuru kaso dana kujegyo only do we keep ini go party kona board ko make a command fan ngani mangi wale so kono fa command frani ya we can just be money wenga ani ko ko de poro oni nga bara poro no direct rani mo command oni na project frani
Okay. Tamba guli ndugu pamini sana mtana ya chini yo bila ni aware. Clarification meda kamanga hanga. Yes, bidige poro ni. Clarification meda kamanga hachukua kwanza kwa mwana gani ko ngame. Tamba hachukua wa mun asa ha. But ko meda ka pe poro ngame. And na barandu duko we are the same level. Anga ogurane kuzegi no and duko ali wala no, we are the same level. There are some people who are back who are well educated. Ogwa burkina juze gindinga well educated ogyo kina haji nga paze gino ya. Ogyo kina koro ya haji nga paze. So we are all the same. But the only thing we need to have that amicable understanding. That's the reason why I'm deciding we see now we are coming now to certain agreement because this is what has been missing. So best we are all the same. In our Burkina Faso magida pai, our Burkina Zigino ni magida pa, ogyo kina agida nga pai, Zigino ogyo kina pa, ogyo kina koro agida nga pai. But when we said let's work together as one people. Just I'm coming to you and then Brother Simon, be careful. Just go ahead.
Okay, bakatamba ima na bakatamba foro ganiko. Besur pakina kun hegi be ngaga argument kenayo ana promise ngawe another kenayo wala another ka expansorio or go schools. Taban chima manga latu na chima manga betabor ngawe muna bipa ngawe ga mo cousin wala nephew boro yo mondoni nga ya ni gidinga pai. Ono go borore nika gwari katono kavunga. Wabete nika gupamenga ando wala gine yani gudoa wala dem aduna busafuru so mo ki forgive gu borara mo ki forgive okay kala si dunga we kana gugu de sana mundu kagida pa uwe borewe niki mavunga borewe si ka da ranga we gu boroni ka to kasana ranga we gude masana mutan ka sponsor gude madar sayo o madro pusunge jena ho borore to na kanjara fa de so ki ka danga agude ka to ka ja ranga we agude da biata biama na baina yake na mo salia ngagumo do abroad so wale put yourself in my shoes gumo do sana you also got family so ono go bordio maya for mara ka supporting in chawa ono na vote no good so because they know that you can support you're going to sponsor the kids so sinamonga sinasa gwera ngawe we really willing to support you but you don't want to support us sipa wa wana pepa pro ngawe look after yourself kama umenga kupanaga kavunga kude wala is a lot of is a lot of costing so bordio they don't care sipa pro yo abroke ngate so go pabes diri yo chipa ina bela ngame ani no mana ana abone bi mara bes ngaya no sande also go pa chama duri yo me ada africa ya me abela ngwa abodu sayo ina bi mara bes nga easy but it's not like that so singa go pana manga ngame sometimes go abodu sano ina kata sponsorship na go borodio be go skill wa pa chipa ngame go boro go meni dio na von kina ogude kina bumo se na banga kina go modu sano muna ngara kuchira so chimi na ka prefer ngame anite go misekre ne yo gumisekere ne ba go mana ndoyo nga anada ka support yo but it na ndrogo ko la jene kia so besina me me na ka takolo bengire foro nga mu ine nga we not neglecting them but they're not the one listening to us so when they listen to us at least we can achieve what we want to help them with mwajane so shi besina na ka pe foro nga we chipa go abodu a ini nga we go abodu sometimes when we work together things will work better mm.
Tamba Justin. Brother Simon.
Neno bragani ko kuna jafu gole.
Kuma drop
Yo
but
Yeah,
I'm
drop.
sure kunge
yeah. Biko ko dumi na do pa ku jugu pa jango gu miara ka frachi pam biko kuna fura bow.
Mufura kwa nyaja because tenan kwa watch.
Okay. Biko gume na ni duba kuni fusa na afuko. Nga gu pokwa monjere hal ko monje chipa kadunga fe maso wala ko monje chipa upanga we abo sun ka fura. And then agwa po kwa frachi pa kuna fura bow. O madu ke na aboro I frachi pa ba gu po gwa na frachi pa tata panga at. Ana frachi po gwe yamba community. Ana frachi papas and the community. And then home wide ke na pani wo gudule mwengo ka franga mweka frachi papa wo po mama nga ha wa go manje ka is not working like that. Ka kwengo na li discussion roga po gure because okwen ani agwa producer yani wuliki pawulika ku wuliki pawulika kumonga ba wuliki pasharo panga mundu ujene ogu mundu ujene ogu ma wuliki pawo mu gwa bomar ka furone mumba ko pachiro ngame kura boroka na ho emtini ge benanika dunga ni bakare ki shigamu wala gamun ka ni bakare ki shigai ende mu kunje ka address yo ku ci ujene ogu duchi asa upakwa pa alfran wo kanya kula frana kutogude wo kanya be she boro u ka bande shtuwa fan ga bande kitno ka frana usana ngo wana fu ngogu brother Emmanuel na pefuko okay ku pengo gupanga ko wa duko chenga ko wa ko icheka sengalani biko gule kanya senga he ilipokwa monji ko na ma umeko kibochi agwa boduze gyo ya undongo ko nanite biko wana fra wala na kura borokana na dafa skuru alo ku fogude ku Uganda ku Kenya yo ku Rwanda yo ku Ethiopia ko chako gini kasina kuna dafa fo wuliko mikini kuja jako kidambu yo Uganda yo no wuliko mbiko waduvura du Dubai in okay committee agazandi gini contribution kwa manga chipa gini skulu zekingo gini wili padu ho mwenye ko kuchipango guniko unda zande kumbata agwa gako investment kwa manga kuna manga pa boro juba zande ho na stefid minute
and mubi gusana mini sana kono gundu pa mini sana kono gusana ya chini yembi ko minada kafu scientific evidence bale fuko again uzamani ya stability kindo uzamani
kasunga kuna jana kwa janga alete kupamya da kuye ka ga contribution tipa community ngaga zande avuragu zamani ye mwenji kingdom ngaga zande ngaga anina kwa diaspora yona support ku celebration ngaga kingdom.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, kasunga kuna depend kwa pena kuna depend kwa bodu sayo aga kwa depend kwa ko woshirani kasunga kuna depend chirani is asking for help. He's not asking like he want to support us. He's asking for help. But the way how he talked to us, like he did something and nobody's helping him. This is his business. He's the agent. He's not working for Zande. This is the problem. Now we are talking about Zande. We are not talking about South Sudan. I'm not going to develop all South Sudan. Uzama kuna kwa Zande. Uzama kwa sanya kwa sanya kwa community Zande.
Bra Simon.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, network
sana mia sana fuko ngame wakana gusana mun sana gine du gako investment ne gini wundo du show unda zande nani biko mia franga pa general South Sudan te mia franga pa South Sudan gini wundo do ko unda zande nani gogu abur diaspora unongo konania pa ku wundo ndo kumbataya biko kasunga mia ko wundo ko mia wundo ko kujo ngo gudu kwa mangami ke ko wundo ko tu ulenga sa wehe ngawe kasinga kwa ide kupanga ngawe ani yeko singo sande ka flat thousand gine duko yemba tati na woshiro fulani ka woshirani ndiko kabo kamuyano ku kaya fuboro me mikini yano for lojorojo wala jaro jaro duna humechiro te gule mina woshiro woshi
okay.
Give evidence more that beko. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, can fura. Yeah. Yeah, pano tabana ngame. Pogundo minondo abonani. Chima duni ni kumuhesi. Gwabro minondo kami mungo ili moyete. Okay. Nga budekina balezeju minima kide kuzeju. Bayo kuweti yorokura arako. Duno kwa ujazande. Okay. Namanga usingiroga arako. Mima mangaha. Yala Mr. Banangame aninga zande kodro gane attention singa very difficult sibangame aboro yeko sungoro go bansa basa ka fora singa very difficult kama to gupano gunika so gupanga ni masiboro ya bono honi ke jegende ko sungo sende ka fora so gupano na mangate dipamina pe hele mi ape fro nga wadi ngame sibangame kodro go na attention go abo njejo pansu sende singa very difficult maybe on a journey yeah. So gipadu le conflict ngani ngame machakilite loga pana buku na pena bodu ko kurakina go ngale ngo kurakina nyanga ngo ya okay nem preference tatu ngame sangame me faro pa English kule nadunga galat ona mapeka pa ni ma aime kulenga ju mistake ngame okay
yes
pro uhebele ya pro uhebele ngame generalize abo ne boye dunduko because pro no kino howo ne gumba hale namanga wena pa manga korono ya sengo no bro dunduko ngabo wena borote namanga wena pa so generalization du yene gipadu ele taban kami at least tonaki maybe ki differentiate kura boro ko no tanga no brondo no koya sino kura pa no bimi he du wena lakin the open from ban ko ya wele singo fusinti frani ka discuss ko problem no guna mangaran kono furo ni koyo onya hakin pego ko pa furo ona ko challenge na boro ko not kana boro ko franco no ani mo no ha wele naga na challenge ani get answer ku gana pa di kono maybe me as an individual la wele men banga ka maybe okay mi men pardon buru se kuchi ay boro yote ko mi wene ngai okay mi wene ngai yani maybe gimusa wanya kadwok no goni dukoyo yani men maka ja lakin pa concern no gwa buru kono chi kono du maybe ga mashakili ga problem na buru nga pali jo kujejo yani ni be no ngame ko du kujejo yo du kadu nga beta lakin on du na block yo chi jo kujejo so jafana bornu kore me nani apsa ngame ane sedi ka fay me mana sana boro ngame di pay mana o jando makana na ko akujingale ya ja ba maka akujingale ya pay so ina tubina buru ku jajoro ngo yi dunga musulu nese pangame abuna ka dunga family wale monga kumba tabani gaboro kinano lakini kama prosi naga gume jaro kini ni gwali kan koyo yala jibor gini nga wiro le a wuri do wiro le ni anu ngate so that problem na tabanga ngame kono biyo ngamo na jaro gume jaro ni keye ni koyo au jaro gwacho gude kini burno yala ine me ka pressure ngame muyine wiru ngodo gude koyo mine wiru ngakmo gude mun kondo just ngame gude le ndu gona slot kino na sponsor family sponsorship nani gasu te kam kaja kinje ka sponsor gume jaro na ide kan kado koyo butija na gamu na ga pronio ini kadunga very aggressive ngame munondo kino gume jaro eje view na bornu kore yes
Ganiko, maybe statement, you need to come with evidence. Because
just
normally pike ni badungu he ngame aburuna sponsor kina agume ajeyo. Please come up with evidence. And me ada kape bro ngame the discussion chance ngame me no bodun gote. Maybe in the next months we'll do it again. Because kan tungo ka kusa pa ida na evidence here. Upango do aburai machini. Mipenga foro baiga. Ogora naraka zegino. Na janga generalization statement danga backup. Mamba give us proof. Give us proof. Now, when I have a Minukorogi database, I will get it there. So that's why the statement of repeated na Waburnena, Agumena can add there, while Akumananga Pakin Agume jail. Please, you don't have proof of that. Until you show us the statistic, we'll take it serious. Because you know, we are misleading crime. So tell America pay for it.
Yeah, many do not ulipa ngale Tony. Has advice for call.
No, sorry. No, me man out of the British my manga. I'm repeating
Okay, upamina penga me. Upama mun tamu gari piche mi gibel. La mimi zaman mo video renga me. Akugwa kuma duze gino kina ajeyo. Nangira fa agumeno. Kumba zato gyo duna nangira kina fa agumejeyo. You don't have proof of that. Statistic berote. National statistic ne upanga me. Okay. Ada dire ga kuma ne kuzegino nangira fa kina agumejeyo. You don't have that proof, my brother. So homa pepa ni wokure. That's why it creates more anger. Now, you are just bringing something without evidence. So, minahumbo pa bero now, can you prove bero? Please provide it with us. But if you show that, muki dia frani kim, and anakapo sorogani platform. But Tidunga National Statistics, Monana friend will be here all batu wale. So we can go and study it in our face. But give me pay for it. Contribution anakida for It is there in the media, in the record. You can go and Google it, you find it there. So we need to work like that. Scientific evidence. Can akusanga papers kababoy. Kabat.
Yeah. Tamba mina ada ka for bembuko animoino gupaya wale ngame tabani na mina ana yengo kwenenga ani na barani ajene sirote discussion dungani and tipa mugichira na gini apamoino ngo papa haya na wa muno eno ni pehele mubirani moino nga aburun wa gudulete so mubirani ya gupabe simeda ka pay forward popo statement mo hele mumama chiro rogo a very serious issue do chipaparona paga business anga threat nganite but gupameda ka pengame muni yamu na manga business oguran duzo gino watado ogwa boroduka na kporo yaha kini gigu fogoro le awale nina support ga business watado baga hedo watado gini pa business muna manga guboro ngodu naime nina ka jogu ga statement ile nikini ako mbenga abele bero tachika wodusu ulenga muna mangaruko okay mumweno fugo pazande wenenga muna mangaruko aboro nikatuna ka peke Japan ni kuchiro gulenga ga business nikati mukunu tunaka bera chira wale you see gene kina rogora ni apenga ni ngbenite mina pe besi forongame gu yani gu serious pa muna pe he tinika create enmity foro na kutiki manji ka let ga business down bamuko mudoka mudunga humble fa aboro muna zungoji aboro zungoji ikini zungoji raha tipo kupangame ani support tirani ana support chirani wo muneno ni pehere a Somalian ada wa borodurere I don't think wa muneno ni pehere a Somalian na fro gudure dagbachio ngamuna tumba fuga tumbo gure ki banga pe yani kura brokina ni ke biengame wa dumo cheno ruko wore fugo ruko wore ngo ga business ikini ignigele chero kini mboro ga business kindu kini chimu kuntuna bira kina rande bele so chidumi a pechin foro ngame tunga pa gudure mudwa kam dunga very careful rogoyo and agwapana peka foro because wa muni pegu pare and dunguna kino ini gupangame mo pegu pare out of anger and but mo inongo gu consequence nga gahate so na mo inongo gina chain nga go gwapadu hon ngo guna manga chido ana sakati foro chibo panga mo gichiro nani so chidungo gupadu hon so wa mine no ni pehere kasi dunga nga gi discussion ne du nikaye na gupanga kani sononga yate ani asedi kanjara nga korgo gi discussion ne wani tuna hale me ani mamanga 2 hours na 10 minutes hour gin ga fruit gin he ana discover gi discussion ne ani ke sedi ka progress nga nani tipo panga ka sono sa tirani rogo information exchange nga information fu tirani wa mina ino ni pehere oni duyo onaidara nyaida so bad ani duno anaidoro nyaida so bad barkani mwegu kanda wale dagbachirani ngame ona sogarani just because ani ndukoyo ani kini sogoroni just because ona peka fugo gudulele then guledwa wele nika sogu pangame kani sononga ngaza nde kupataya kani dunga na koda tise ngaza nde you see and then eja hele du na maya kanda kumboduraniyo ni basasa no grupu dunduko so woma pegu pare tabani na pehane jibeli ngame mo pointi kena kuchiro wa broduze gyo but oni koro yo ona akodanga chironya were kimanyu gupaingo gudunga nikatumbali mazande kombatayo and ki be example chinyate okay aniaha the same thing tinga both side but gin he ana bi herogo gi discussion ne na do upanga ani sedika inorogo yo na wodo ranjani kasona so gi discussion ne mi bingo nga gbegbene podunga ni te but china sarani ani educated chirani rogo raka yo dagba boro na rogo manga payo bombi ko gupangame bana koragba kaboro pengba tunga po gudulele nika biye binga consequence kina chini nika biye binga chidune na paraka chiduna manga wale so chidungo gupamea pe foro na ni would better advice but mo asadika ka manga connection more connection o mama gama business a connection kina ho ngogu aida ngogu ya bora aida then ani sononga ro gupayara ngame manga corporation gilingara du ya ni korogole cha sonanga begu pangame mona oka information chi gukura hata ogwa burudu Britannia ye na knowledge ngaga gidulere yore kie na knowledge ngaga gidulere yore kie na knowledge ngaga gidulere so kutinte ihini noka sona bambiko masalan wadwani ngazande kani kulunga kino kwa sopo binote anaida agije pai ida anaida nurse side anaida dungwa sector kina chedo kupanga ani durogoyo so uwa mine ni pemba tano ani ngazande ngo wa borodu mbali ya franikia aboro yani weneshina aboro ngani anamanga weneshino fo aboro kini mwenye gbeneshina kina rogoyo so gani inanga culture is attached kutini so ani azande ngo wa burunga bagara so kamzake bi wa budwe yekini jara go kini jiogwara go dundu kongo go koji hekini ngere kuli so aburo no sungo nga aburo no ndukindo muno sungo kana aburo kujigido gbali ayo muno sungo koyoga mo matebi upanga aburo yeke ka foka timburu bero mukunu gbali ro gbali kini bisikoro kuraba. These are the natures nga gani nga gazande so gukura pake na home lengo duchaida ani alia harogoranio chipo upanga kasona kaduna sono sachise rogoranio ka uplift gani standard watadu kuchigupadu gupabele mine biero ga statement yo ngame bombiko jubayo kino gu mentality du yo ngame wagitungale amanga wagipare kino gitungale munje kinawo yani kino gwa padu yo nga kina pagupanga gatunga so anzenye dulele kani compare nga charani na yote wa dungwa aboro ni pehe so aboro dunga yo duga ne chakia kam compare nga ga yaraka kuchirani nga azandete anaraka kia anaidanga wawate anaidanga fugo imisili watado gwa pongo gunandu ko yodu kurapa anga chiduna salani nga azandete and then ejahene du ana gbe ili so chini be kurabo kuratunga nga wadu sinarani why ana display gani raka, and this is the nature nga gani. So ogwa opportunity no ngogu dundu ko anake nika kura anaka ndo arogo kini sedika do chirani ogwa padulele. So chipo panga chisono shi evirani chisono shi dungwa apai ogwogude ana undorani ku Uganda yo ana undora no gwa Arizona duchin ogura kena nga we na gude ogura kena honga gbugbene gude na mamangale nga mina undo boro ku Uganda na njo kungo boro bari kungo boro le na benefit den guni zatu nga guma guma na tapeke na zile fale unindwane ku school yo gipadu walele mina akide mono school achike wali gibore na ndugo school yote. So ominike ni ka discover ngame jiboli ni adungo school yote gu imisili miduna manga sunje ngami aranga tekini mwangi sunje kini mwangi panga mina doko undogi bole ni uli kipai nikita peki na zile pale mikini ka discover tinika discourage le ni kale omine no ni pemba tano no gwa paya bole ngame gushikili uli kapandu mikanuke bia wale Uganda ya ngame monakida mana no kini gude kini kelimo university yo gwa padulele ukuta uli kinzunzo uli kapaya unandu koyo ki wa makida mana kida furu gudele ki jigumana ne kindo afo fukura boro ki ani mangi research tipo pagi pare iki mangi research mku jigu nane kindo submit ni gama assignment modna uli kaporo gubore na uli kapa and then that's why mono bi patini ngame dungwa gani ogudeke na uli kapa ina graduate dule batliyo yo nikuhe because ina to use kina gu system ngame munajia mana kinu kan ka fo boro ini fo assignment for school yo mutahemu mangi he chipoko panga muye no go experience le liroyo mukuni jigu mana kinu kini fo kora boro kini mangi research yo kini fo foro guga pa be singa mun ka gida ha kini je kan ka submit he gura wale nga mun kan ka graduate no liroyo ni kuhe eja hene na manga now imagine mu graduate awole liroyo kini duni kuhe ikini bira wale chenga okay wene pe padu bero mundu ka manga mu ifu sunje foro mukundu kan ka mess yo ikini doroti sunje gura wale nga munehina kinaga on downfall so gure dungo gwa pabe simya peka ha ngogu na manga manga ya but ani surgical educated tirani in a good way anyengo gupangame ana peka kana kubena fugo chipa tirania nika discourage boro watadu nika kasogu pangame gu undo kamino undo zande nani miamanga bolete dungwa borake na honama nama neglect pangame ungo boroka unongo zande bombiko ania bole kuroshino gudu kena tirani ngame wamuni undo zande nikiali achini bole kena kuliro watadu kiali kimwenjiro bole no gukurapa bongiro nika gonga chini rogora karoya na manga natamuro guro duyo kini mwenjo gura aduno masala ni aneye onu wana ye kono anikini ye anada ka asada ka koda tiraninga agumesa aborosa wamunuko undo uli namu nga wadumine ye mbatano watadu midu na English watadu midu ini gupadu mukuni je cheka munodo ko undo gi uli namu ne nikitaka manga wale kasona kantuka kakuramba kumbatani boro nikini guchero kini alia chini bulenga kina boro gariolo enemy can recognizing go gupa ni mo undoni chini watadu ni undoro chini te so eja these are the things that opunga ani serika fracha papa hachi rogorani bambiko dungwa borokena hona ma give up lo pangame undo zande kuna bambiko pangame ora disappointing pragu kina ngame kasidunga gibore na monjiro nani unade ka undongo jinine mukuta undoni kina kubansa pakimwe nikiali achini bolewe kina kuliro so eja nada upanga ani asadika fracha papa
do not on the background please nimo yake ni na robo mute yes just communicate follow minikafu yang ada round mikani yana 10 minutes kitipaka insa program 10 minutes base so ukurapa meda katingi darana nina bodu nduko yesa ani focus ki frachpa kupai pe ko hona gwa pai mangi poro yona gwa boro na seja hana gwa pai but also message mera ka pele tina nduko graduate tino kwa frako apaki na ho pe ko ho ngarengo Veterani kina hona gbali zegino kandu koyo. Kandu kamanga bakaliruko. Yo. Especially zande dule kamada zande sogoro. Mutona kauto kongo. Geni dogude wala jeni. Zande ni kasogora kisogoro na patakaro na boduko. So hana gbali no ni kandu koyo. Achidunga manandu chipa Christmas wala manandu koyo. Yesa degrani mangbaka. Mudunga careful. Amu bingo dogu de best wale kalasi munaide ni kalas. Muntona katene ni gida mabo mudule yeki na bandi. Murukache dogu de kitona katene ni Arabia yo. Of course, oga brodio dogu de matene ni ne. A dogu de giga na degra dungi okina hoa dunga ngawane siye gyo. Nina fa wala kumba birute kwa parasko wa kumba kina beni paranga kina beni monokato no katene ni wa pala kida ma bolo bana kwa kalas ya paranga ngudi okintona kaya makucho wala jedo gudere ngudi okintona kaya makucho so ugrandise kino anandu koyo ani disichirani me anga na barani mkote but kufira ni nandu koyo because ina nyame the small apple will destroy the rest of the apple ubetarani nandu koyo wananuka danio oni disichironi kan yame de maiden mumai gorogoro gene ati dunga ngama mranduka atene ni kini mangi aboro azegina biro no bodunduko bondiko aja pale neyena sokote dagachirani wachini mo yogule ni naja ke wo abrozege na magachio ine ina ge amana kini rogoje gani adogo so please ani disichirani akumba na ade dole kesha mepanga kurade nanduko kamuka aja kutaparanga be rukucho dogo vice versa manga. So we have to change that mentality. Nakati dunga we anandu koyo bara mepanga gade even uruko. Nuko tungu aborkina foro ni organic na complaining we anabana kana anabeho pishapo. Borna pe English kina honi. Borona daga papers andete. Uliko sunga na borkani he. Please, ane dunga mo humble. Anandu koyo. Let's be humble. Udu besi gamunga humble. That's it. Kidunga simple. Because kingo kupaya nikatono ke yena wili relationship dagwachirani nuko mundu koyo mukudunga bolo ka afurene nikebe yikuba neko bromi bato kuna biro kinamani so that's gora go kini bachini ati ngamo ne ye kizar go poporo wa pale kini ga kono ngo buno dogo de matano no go hotel yo kini gane gini ne of course they have the right to insult us they have the right to have anapinega yabe so zande dule kamada zande sokoro mbotengeni pachijeni pachikumboni then in case of so Justin, after you had a chance for a conclusion to talk about Pekin, what is the way forward? Please give us way forward. Because I'm not pecking
Ah,
negativity now and after the way forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
bakritamba from Boroni. Taban
Mm.
cima nonga sa wide
Yeah.
or naga euro.
Yeah.
Kakung banabiso. Sorry.
Mm.
Meda ka fo bakritamba fo LTS. Besuri pai Tony meda ka pe fo brada gani konga ka ko passive message ya fo gua paranga dio wala gua brodio. Ngawe.
Mm.
Go pai mangire chidunga go yanga dapa mangi. Cipa wa min pe hempatan ni du ngawe ana majago skill pare batan. Borokina manga content wo gure batan. Boro yo. Again so gwa bordo abroad. Bachadu ngata ba Australia kipe ngako. So aki hipaya he abo kifra ripa haha. Uwe hikine kadunga gudurere. But agwa gurandu sano. Wane ye kono. I'm not sure if I'm not wrong. Ngawe mi mama nga 20 years ane. Boro hoda barani Australia ne. Namangi content nga ki record video against gwa bordo poroyo. Nga
Yes.
kamanga kere video ngawe.
Mm-hmm.
Babodo poro yo were kipeke bibera pa ni were una manga singeto nga bronye moro na bakina banga gwa pa. We don't care about that. I mean ngawe this is their choice. You see? Kamujingo borojo ngawe ni kamanga gupare. Kene ada ngaya na manga at. But ani hon na mangi video content wo gore kipe bibera pa. Fugwa bordo poro yo. No. Tinga gupa mie bingote mi rekyani mie bingote. So chin mede ka hopa be go bordo poro yo ngawe. They need to stop that. So if they want to be with us, they need to stop it. So let it be the last, and also we will be connected with them. Sangawe, una pefio. Zabra meme nga abroke ne ka approachiro after the video. Oh, gini gumu area for gorona niyo. Meme no, aboke ne ka for. Ga gini gumu area for gor kaya me. the best content ma manga chipa whatever. Aboken kasana, but you have to the reason you can tell them. Now what you said agabo mo yake bio. We're not ana sengarote and pick up and peaceful. Keep taking advice to look forward. Chipa gupa kan mwingi ko ondaran. Ana ne chipa ka sokote da batiranite. Another ko ondo tirani nga go abroduyo to develop ourselves. Akona tunga mandu tuturu. But ani kusaya kenji. Be gupa na ga sokote. Na mangara. So chimyenda ka pebe singawe. Now you're the eyes. Chipa mumwene gawe agwa shabu do boyodiyo. You're connecting with them. Chipa gam business. Makide kuzejo. So you have to also uh, pass the message. Ngawe agwa pa agwa bodizo jo. Ya penga beberapa kuciri maranete. So anu bugu pai nga kape beberapa chipa you. You need to stop it. Chipa anapenga pa chipa yote. Kini kada kuchipa barenga ga ade. Miada ka fura ipa tabang. So ade yani kumanga kumba na ade nga de aha. Mobie. So wanandu ko yo nga agwa bonandu ko poro yo. Sometimes me penga nga sinamanga farete. Kana dogo da duya ha. Yuma kumba kina chiyo. Kenya ngawe kina rane duna yuma de. Yuma kumba kina chiyo nga gwa na dogo da duya. So kanjanya mukuma na mangani. They can't stop a girl. They are okay. Kamungi uzavara ginevu wangala munga kumba. Kadada kama kawe gachira ame. Iriduke le gachiri. She can do it. So agagura nandu ko yo. So sometimes things can happen. Chipa wanandu ko yo nga gwa shabu nandu ko yo wala iya go born from any country. The only thing like wanajango dogure, you're going to refresh your brain. Chipa anane anamanga swinga 24 hours. The only time we having a rest is majango de mikandu kuporoyo. People go outing, you go clubbing, you drink, you have fun with this. So while gupare sinamanga yo baklab yo ogodugde yo yagbe chiyo ni nago apanga yo pai. That's where the things happen. So after that, wapa nikatoka para boro nikatopinga agwabodio chipa agwabodio inepinga me marabiote. Na zavra gwaparanga dio aha. There's some of them they have their girl adugde kina beyo. Ya yizia ngawe mundi fogo kumba ifu kufu mara frani. So mundo kepinako kuika fuma. It's happening. Zirenga ate. Tina manga mangai. Nga dugde ne play game ana gya boyfriend. Mundo kari mara chiko. So tina manga. So chinga gupana manga ngawe anasa fa god ya ke birangarane. Zafra medunga single 2000 something. So 2012 men ku poroyo. Me ajanga that. Yani me sungu ngawe me sungu chinga uru ko yare uru bak uru paranga tabani yezo me adaka gbananga uru zande. Mina gudu di organi panga. Gudu di me masungu ne. Miki toka pele jimi miki toka pele game aha. Me asana pa dugu de biya maware. Ya na shabu na boy na me masungu ne. Na banga kina zire. You see? There's a lot of opportunity gaga na dugu di aha. Kaya kona ga kumbaluka jeni. Pada gwa paranga dio na play game aha. Kaya me wa masungu ne go dedu. Zavra kanja na mambugu dere. Na ya go dedu. Nikisa jene be gudu dere. Kajagere support. You see? There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things can is affecting both sides. Nga gwana dogu de tipa igbe wanaraka or support either in education or either to come abroad. Tipa moina bro abroad no. Zabro ka moina gudogu de or kene kampuchironi. That's a big investment. Mondo gudogu de nika igbe wanaraka nika tokondo ogumene poroy. So tina manga dunga bro kino na moina de kono kimbuchio but de nara karaka no kini unda ogumene poroy. That's a very big investment as well. So sina manga. So cha dunga gubra pangat. So chapang wenga yumse. Sometimes it can go longer. Sina do gara. Sometimes kam dunga laki o kin bizasa. Mo bete. So shirmena kapepe singa go meme panga we aborum bukam record the video against agabordo abroad. That's my main advice. Na brother Ganiko tamwa kosungo online for 2 hours. Cepa kanjau kurap borokado kena manga panga we network na magera gini pai kene nungo wakani gini pai kene peheya kizoro kusande kin zubogen no bete but you sit there to listen to us and ga against rote wagu elder Samson nape and ga against rote. But sometimes we just capture the content and then we respond to it. So chinga gupa namanga. So tamba front.
Bakari tamba
Okay,
no kuma drop because kuna da kuna ndu somewhere. So and I think anaka jigiso gani sakapa ni mafuranga 2.5 hours. So but me adaka fu yanga the chance fu gani ko and then kupenga gu padu ho na wana ino ni pehere. Mu penga gini padu ma du kamo pehe ni yanga daha na you know ogwa pape kyani ana anyese dikafuka example foro chena dunga ane kapa na motaru ka fura kuliro warani dunguna chana kulirote but anie ka fura rogo gupaye ngame ka educatera rogo kura payo mo inongo pachi papa haya and then na ka fuza he popo gupangame tunga message wo gudulere ne create gbegbene apai dagba cherani ka ni bingo roni koyonga wena aburu ngoni yakono nikini birani akono nga wena aburu ngani teo gwa padulere so wo azanda harakate gusinone gupanga ga soga tisere cha dunga rogaza yote but aniyeke ka wuli ka haka inherite be kura aburu and ngogu ndongara ni bele ya bombi ko gupangame kasidungame muna privilege bero ngogu lenye muko undo zande muundo ni undo and then sinonani nya ma dita gupangame boro undo kurani be gupangame kurapa kina ho ana kurusani ngame go muno undo boro undo ni kini ali atini bele kina kutiro ogwa pale ogwa history kina ho but chad kachidunga ngame chidu anaka use he kazango undo chirani ngaza ndeyate so bakali tamba he mu penga gu final paka mu pehe and then an kishigishole kashidunga pa learning and maybe anene ka manga kura ina point belewe ina nga appointment bele an kimanji ina na mena futamba ha for bomko wana kidi message gba foro mo moye muku respond kutini and then chipoko panga chiki clear gu wije du mu aniki gitirani no gu point mo mini he an muku gitira no gu pongo gu mo inongo patch papa haya so chidungo gu pamina daka fu bakari tama for tin achidunga rogu payangame ana dunguna tirani kuliroya so wana furane anapeka pabe singa ka relate he kuchigwa pa ngogu na manga gu reality ngogu duho so chidu kamu bingo ngame ogurani duzo gino ana undongo yata ani mondo statistics kina mina search he so aninga azande barao anima annually anakida maranga Australia hane ku South Sudan yo gumana nakida annually go $34 million. So that's a lot of money annually nga ganasa midulere gumana miakida ha gu justin akida gu kura bora akida dunuko so eja hani no bodunuko but gu omine no ni pay for gu hegani ragaso nangatinia is because aninga very scattered wokeni ya gumaranga $34 million le ana inject he krogo gani rago ngani yame western equatoria nga gani rago ka development duayo wole ni bakare he but because ana kido gumana ana koyo sin kurare bochina tandu ku yembe chikigbali bele yembe ni gakana kujubayo kamanga development kina kujubayo ejahane duchido ana apeka chini foro ngame gwana sonanga chinia apake na hongo guna hinda tamba so minika ni onga kwane then kifule goche foro muforo
okay, ya bakari tamba sebagai di forum juga. Pada segi rogi kanak ni yom sebelum ko kon mata kadung apa na pahanu ko banyak na rugu tete kione konga yang ane sedikit no go position koyo. Bemko anu ko bichi mo apa no go miaji hanza tu sayo semoga apa ko koyo. Bohona kila repa prani ke. So cuma da wale ngame nimai no go position koya wale go ndo na fe kono nimai no. So abono kasana ha mi kifio na gene he ni rugu. Specifically home by the noble if you didn't home yeah make go phone and another moment this is a public assumption me say to brought up so that all of us to be in one picture and say come and you get in touch when go and how run mention now maybe in the future some other part you can know other window you can contact me other part you what you're doing today. When I got some my phone is poco yo go to need there, I'm not question the past time I need to do that. Like you when I listen to you know. So it was not something like personal against people. That's for us just some opinion. All of us wanted to come on some topic discussion. So kapana bob kuna bob ko da yake na roro here. I think I've taken note of that. So come my phone.
Okay. So bakit tambah ya, so anaka digi sogani inakuana, and then gupa mina da ka pe belewo gupa ka emphasize na ni kura bro ni pe ha pengame. You know, oniduyo on the ground kura information kina hana gya hadu kia. In terms of gupanga anfranga lipo gupanga ga development watadu ga sono sa tirani. Oniduyo, for example, apaki na honga aboroki na ina mawulika apaki duna qualified inonga professional rogo kura dungwahe anaida. For example, ogwapanga in terms of business. Kasi dunga me aninga behind rogo wulika payo. Ani yoseji kadunga nga kwali rogo business yo. Kasi dunga aninga behind rogo business ani yoseji ka venture nga kurugura gonga ga technology technology, you know. And then eja area rena obodu nukono do gupanga ani dukina bomko kurapa bele maybe chigani ogudedu yo ngame kasi dungame just ne mwenji business administration minada kanduka manga kinaha anaka manga kina business administration jedunduko ginoguyo nikamanga nikadunga engineers ginoguyo nikadunga a doctors ginoguyo nikadurugo eja padulel. So gupamia eda hangame, for example kuragani ogudekena yanga a lawyers creating a law firm because anaida kupanga iundarania rogo gwapa anakamanga ha in the legal process tu ngame module nga boro business monamanga business oni esejika creating gu platform nga in a cooperative, okay. And then wemine ni pemba tano ne ogurani kinano dunu nyomu wane kasono sagani lingala, okay. Anbija mbida ku China aneka kasada ka manga gupanga ga industrialization kitambe ka machine hane kini kije suru gani corporation no gu inango gu ogwa organization limbe oneka zaka hayo then chikini undarani gukura biata hangame onene ogwa aborodu yonga the engineers, okay. Ikize kinga cooperative ina banga ga engineers, for example minada ka do bombu rogi plot do yo, okay. Other than gupangame mine dili na boronga individual mina kida mana fu boro sanili chihe miki kijinga hakana fu organization ne ikindu kinda dongo bombu na gupa bombi ko gupangame bana kuraba kashidungame organization ni kali tegimana then idu mine kakpiro yo, okay. Then chifu furusha frania ani bypass gupaka saya ngame muna kida mana fu kana individual boro nikindo ali chihe kurapa ki mungi chiki discourage. You know, these beautiful things ngo gwedo do rembe oni arengba kamanga hayo kini zeki organization wa gudulere ni kame ke na bombo mine yebesi mikiji maranga 150,000 kiyame oni do bombo wale fale na rumu bia manager padule minada amara wale aniki wo ke na budget noni mikimbo efron on ki do bombo mi manne ku pa ya wale kusaya ngame kemi mana ga ku bil sapa kini manjapa ka bomba kuranga ono gumana nga hale wa unangele mo bingo rubolete and then tikini ka create pa so gulengo gwa he ana expect it po pangame oni do nga well organized ko ni duna je system lero ni ja organization ramang hamang kuratunga na manga and then you know, in terms of ogwapaya ngaga business do yo kasidungame minada kamanga business yo then modu go boronika dunga the key person ka naka full information fare modu miada kamanga gi business yo gwapadu there then guda werenga ana benefit mo kinagupa muno ene ni pele anzanje hekina ho ya yambanga privilege, you know, privilege wadu morogo position and then go position ne munuko use it pokpanga ko undoga maboro go information do bero munuka fa fu wulinam pokpanga ka sono soyo. And these are the things to do pangame ani sedika adapt he kutirani ko use eja privilege sele tibu panga kason sa tirani so bakari tamba then oni sungu wenenga then kasidunga ma wena gani contact pahoma da ka discuss mu approach rani ana soga nga borote ana jipadu manyi mohone dungwa boro no wo muneno ni peha go concept dulio gwa boro dulio ngame ine bi panga anina barani no nga gbegbena boro so ana munji here I'm sure kura burkina ni ka jan rogoya inika apakina ni ka benefit rogoyo na kirugutia no gupangame gura kana raka kono jiduwele no gwa pana ndo suru echiduwele ogwa pana manga chiduwele ka boradunga ina kina negative apa liyo yo kuchirani nga wa jasine mwingile na pa then miki categorize nga aboruno boyo dunduko gulenga jasine mwingile na so mi anu ko yo kuchi aboruno boyo dunduko te so wena aboroke no gbegbe na aboroke na ho folo ni ayo gbegbe na aboroke na yo wena aboroke na yo but ka chidanga ngame ana yuzu gani power ka create enemy dagba chiranite so chidungo gupado bakari tamba so oni su dunduko wenanga
Okay, tambaye.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, tambah
Good
ya.
night.
Okay, tambah bojo.